Hi everyone, good afternoon. I hope I'm audible. I hope I'm visible. All students who logged in, good afternoon. Kindly confirm the audio and video. And if you're joining for the first time, please let me know that you are coming for the first time so that we can get to know the audience also. Just scrolling up to see if you have any questions. So no questions. Good afternoon to all. So I had to quit class yesterday due to emergency, but I had covered up the class. I'll submit the homework today. Okay, Shubham. So can we call protocontinent as shield? No, protocontinents are not shield. Okay. I have done geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, finished foundation. Samarth, this is my first live. Samarth, welcome. You are in the right training. You can join the class from here. It's absolutely okay. आपको सब समझ आएगा. Did that? Okay. After that, who else? Any question? Any newcomers? Dipanshu, I'll just look at your doubt. Good afternoon to all. You've submitted your homework. Great, great. Samarth says we'll send the homework in evening. Sir, what doubt are we supposed to ask? As it is a doubt clearing session, or there will be a regular class? No, Niharika. So people who joined Unacademy new, okay, your fourth class, I think every fourth class in the frequency, apart from the class, there is doubt clearing. So इसलिए वो हर fourth session में आएगा. Anup, welcome. I submitted home assignment. Okay, perfect. I will submit today. Perfect. Okay. So people who are not aware, sir, should I continue geography GS with optional paper 2? Dipanshu, yes, you should continue. I don't know about your background. आप पूछ रहे हैं कि should I continue? So if you are joining, if you are coming for the first day, today is the fourth class of this course. First class देख लीजिए. All people who are coming for the first time in the first class have told what all is needed for people to join directly from here. That will help you. Madhukar says, have you checked homework because I have submitted but not yet checked. Madhukar, आपका तो remark जा चुका है. आपका remark जा चुका है. आप check कर लीजिए. What is the difference between protocontinent and shield? बता दें. This thing, Puneet says, I'm Manisha. Sorry, sir, I have submitted the assignment just now due to college exam and I'm not able to do that. Okay, perfect. Sir, I had a doubt regarding extra peninsular region and stable block. Okay, Kapil, I get that. So what is the shield? What is extra peninsula? What is this? I'll tell you. Do we get that? Okay, everyone. Let's start the class then. I don't see any major doubt except for the shield part that I have to do with you. I had checked the papers, whatever assignment was there till 10 a.m. 10 बजे तक आज time मिला. So till 10 a.m. I had checked. People who use this opportunity to submit as soon as possible, they get the feedback. People who have submitted after 10, maybe I think 6 to 8 assignments were there. They might not have been there. नीलनी आपका भी feedback दे चुका हूँ मैं. शायद feedback like उसमें ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. But I remember looking at your this thing. So everyone, let's come to the fun part of it. Yes. श्रीश आपने तो काफी लेट सबमिट किया है. श्रीश मैंने देखा था आपका, बट अभी मैंने उसे ओपन नहीं किया. So everyone, let's come to the easy part. Easy part. Okay. Everybody comfortably settled? Yes, comfortably settled. Straight away, let's come to the class. So I have a cat at home. And when the cat wants something from me, the cat comes, makes some noises and all that, and the cat waits for me to respond. Sometimes I respond, sometimes I don't respond because I don't want to respond, because I have other things to do. Yes or no? So cat is an animal. Cat wants the response. If I don't respond, the cat will keep on making noise. And now the cat is sleeping, happily sleeping. Get that? Throughout the class, the cat sleeps. Perfect. Are we same as human beings or are we different? We are different. No, we are different. So when you submit your assignment, that means your assignment has come to me. Get that? Don't wait like a cat. Now, when will you reply? Huge list comes. Yes or no? Huge list comes. There are some people, उनका map, एक map submit किया है, बस वो map पे रोक के बैठ गए. Haven't we seen many assignments have come? So करते जाओ, don't worry. The fun part is, you want to make a start. You want to see, is my map okay? My teacher should say okay. Then I go to the next one. Is my way of working okay? My teacher approves of it. That's it. You want that hand-holding, no? That channel, that group, and that access has been given to you. So why worry about it? तो मिला हुआ है. काम करो ना. So most of you have done it, and most of you got the feedback. And suppose, say for example, some people submitted after 10 o'clock. अभी कुछ 6-7 copies ऐसी हैं which were submitted after 10 o'clock today, 10 a.m. तो ठीक है, जो भी आज का assignment होगा, keep submitting. That will also get checked. No, why worry? So I don't. One more thing, everyone. I don't open the file which I am not checking. Why? Because if I open it, then it will be lost somewhere. So your file will remain unopened till I open it. So it comes to me. So don't worry. I have trust on that. But don't behave like a cat. Sir करेंगे जब check उसके बाद ही मैं next assignment करूँगा. ऐसा मत कर. Is everyone okay? Can I expect that? Most of you got it or not? अभी कुछ 6 लोग हैं जो 10 बजे के बाद हैं, बस उनका नहीं कर पाए. And that too, I want to tell you that mentorship will make me busy. Right? Mentorship will be a lot of support to these people who are writing mains. No, so it'll take a lot of effort. So I'm supporting you also, beginners also. I'm supporting the senior students also. So let me decide how to support. Yes, you please keep working. So बाकी जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, good work. I really like what work we are doing. But only the request is कुछ लोगों को, I think 3 people I have said. 3 people I was forced to write to them. I'm sorry to tell them also. I said let us not waste each other's time. With folded hand. कि भाई आप अपना बेस्ट दे रहे तो अच्छी बात है. If you are giving your best, you've tried and then that's okay. Otherwise, why get into this? Because और भी लोगों को senior को भी support करना है, junior को भी, that is there. Same says sir in my this thing assignment the feedback is you will discuss in class. बिल्कुल आज की क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. So I want to start the class with a test. Can I test everyone? Are you ready for the test? Blank sheet. My class has to work this way. एक बात बताता हूँ everyone. Please get this. Everyone. Message of the day. आज का message ये. Why I'm saying I have to start with the test. Hello sir. Good afternoon. I don't know the name. You don't know the name of the student. Thank you for your guidance. Earlier, I started my journey in geography with some other educator. In starting, I felt I was just memorizing, mugging up things, like you have mentioned in the classes. Also, after watching your class, I got a lot of understanding in depth. With things, gain a lot of confidence. With the subjects, also your environmental course is truly beneficial. What you taught in the master stroke environment class, direct questions came in the prelims. Though this year I was not able to clear the prelims. After watching the interview of the video, I introspected my mistakes and willing to work. To work more harder and better to clear them. This is the crux of the message. Baki sab bhul jao. After watching the interview video of the topper, I have started working on this. What other educators are doing, that's their strategy. With all due respect, my strategy is to push you to bring out your best. And what are you doing? Are you carrying a burden or are you carrying your dream? Are you carrying a burden or a dream? वो आपकी मर्जी. I know. अरे यार जब से कोर्स शुरू हुआ 3 days he has made my life hell. He's giving us so much work. Your dream. Yes sir. Sir, are you also carrying a dream? I told you what I am carrying. I'm talking to champions who are going to clear this examination, top ranks. Yes. So अच्छी बात है. I just wrote to him that अपनी mistake से सीखिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, mistake करना is okay, absolutely okay, but learn from that. So if some of you are just submitting frivolously, तो मैं हाथ जोड़ के कह देता हूँ यार हम दोनों एक दूसरे का time waste ना करें, that will be better. तो टेस्ट शुरू करें everyone. Are you ready? So ये टेस्ट है 2 minutes का. 2 minutes is a good time. I will keep my stop clock on. Let me look at that. What do we have to do? What do we have to do? जल्दी से आते हैं. सर ड्यू टू नेटवर्क इशू आई एम अनेबल टू कंटिन्यू. ओके, अच्छी बात है. जल्दी 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 कहाँ है? बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी बचे हैं ना, अभी वो भी करना है. योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. यू हैव टू मेक अ मैप एंड ऑल 10 शील्ड्स. आर वी रेडी? शुड आई स्टार्ट? कर दे स्टार्ट. चलिए. सो 2 मिनट स्टार्ट. मैंने पोल के नाम से कर दिया. Okay, everyone, time up. 2 minutes done. See, sometimes it so happens, no? Becoming a guru is easy. Becoming a teacher is easy. We give you task. What do? We give you the task. But becoming a friend who can be a role model is difficult. गुरु की तो गुफा भी होती है, आश्रम भी होता है नहीं होता है? True. So I have seen teachers who are not able to draw the map themselves, who are not able to meet that target themselves. तो स्टूडेंट को अनरियलिस्टिक टारगेट देंगे. At times the student also thinks otherwise. I did it with you. Is my map looking fine? Are my entries okay? Was I able to write the first 7 which are the Archean? और ये क्या है 3 जो थी? Yes, Ardean, Archean, Proterozoic. So was able to remember all of them because I practiced after that. Perfect. तो एक बात बताओ, super confident or not? That is the intention. That is why we are looking at. आकृति मैंने वो लिखे नहीं थी, but I'm just saying I wanted to show you that it is possible. Did you read a message today where a student writes, "Sir, can you submit some samples of the maps drawn by some students?" Yes or no? कब से है वो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, उसने आज तक कुछ सबमिट नहीं किया. जरा कुछ सैंपल भिजवा दीजिए. क्या करोगे सैंपल के? रोज तो क्लास में सैंपल बन रहा है. Isn't this a sample? Sir, I'm not able to make a map, sir. Please give me a sample. Isn't this a sample right in front of you? Yes, sir. Marked all, but forget the name of third one. चलो ठीक है, थर्ड का नाम नहीं याद है हमारा गाँव का. Everyone with our testing, is our memory also getting sharpened? मेरे पास तो टाइम नहीं था कि यहाँ पे मैं सतपुरा लिखूं, अरावली का दिल्ली, ओरोजनी और शिलोंग. I'm just saying that I'm a human being. I don't expect amazing things from you which I cannot do it. तो मुझे भी करना चाहिए ना. Map of 10 sheets. ठीक है. मनीषा, little time more, little time less. अब वो हमें थोड़ा सा करना पड़ेगा. We need to work on that. Is everyone okay? समझ में आया? चल, one interesting thing. Remember, this was, the whole earth was covered by water. सब पानी. Initially, remember that? And because of something happened and these were created. What are these? जल्दी से बता दो. What are these? These are protocontinents. And what will they do to make continents? What is that process called? जल्दी बता दो. Quickly. What is that process called? Continental accretion. Very good. Keep that confidence with you. Bring this vocabulary. Okay. So now everyone, I have water. Everyone, I have water. And I have this protocontinent. चलेगा? कैसे आए? How was it created? Sir, magma came, volcano. So magma, is everyone okay? Magma. Is everyone okay? Magma. With me? Okay. What is this on top? ये तो magma नहीं. This is not magma. Sir, वो भी तो था ना, यहाँ पर भी तो क्रस्ट थी ना ये. वो देखो volcanic ash. अरे बच्चों, ये भी तो था ना, नीचे से magma आया. When magma came, it pushed this also up. ये तो हमारी क्रस्ट है ना, क्रस्ट तो थी ही. क्रस्ट तो होगी. What is crust made up of? Oceanic crust तो थी ना बच्चों. Was there oceanic crust or not? What is oceanic crust made up of? So basalt. And is it also made up of sial? ऐसा याद है? Crust is made up of sial. And mantle is made up of sima. Do you remember that, everyone? Which one is denser? With me, everyone. What is this? PC. Priyanka Chopra nahi hai ye. This is protocontinent. Can I say this is also PC? This is also PC. What is the future of PC? So PC will get eroded, and PC will collide with other PCs and make a big continent. Is everyone okay? So 2 words have come. Chahat says denudation, Priyank says accretion. I am okay with that. So iska kya future hai? Denudation will happen. Denudation means degradation will happen. Who will do it? Exogenetic forces. And what will happen? Accretion. Everyone, even if you are a beginner, do you understand accretion? मतलब ये छोटे-छोटे टुकड़े जुड़ जाए. And they will make a big continent. Is everyone okay? Okay. Now let us focus on them one by one. So one is denudation, second is accretion. Okay. Can I say after some time this will become this size? ये size रह जाएगा इसका. From 0 it will come to 1, level 1. Is everyone okay? Where will all this masala go? Sir, it will go on the side. Side पे जाएगा. Will it go on the side or not? Everyone. Oh yes, sir. It will deposit. Sir, number 1 has got deposited. Will it get eroded further till 2? Possible. So where will 2 go? Sir, वो भी side में आ जाएगा. That will also come on the side. So this time what comes in 2? Sir, the black dots also come. And the red dots also come. Is everyone okay? Are you okay? What is the difference between black dots and red dots? So black dot is Sial and red dots are probably Sima. They are this thing. Everyone, I want to tell you, everything is solid. Don't think that this is choco lava. This is what? This is solid. अब सब solid हो गया. Past में आया था, अब सब solid हो गया. So is it getting eroded? Yes or no? True or not? अच्छा, out of the two, A and B, which one is easy to erode? Out of the two, which one is easy to erode? B is easy to erode. B is easy to erode. Everyone who's listening to me, please tell me, did you understand that B is easy to erode? Did you understand? 15 minutes ka poll le raha hu. Quickly, everyone, because I cannot keep track. No, even the people who are listening to me on recording, is it clear? B is sedimentary, so it gets eroded fast. A is that igneous lava, आसानी से नहीं होता है. Everyone okay? 15 सेकंड के पोल में, I want to make the online classes as effective as offline, इसलिए कर रहा हूँ. Please participate. Shamelessly participate. क्या होगा? ज़्यादा गलत हो जाएगा. That's okay. Okay. Will it stop at this? No sir, it will not stop at this. एक और level आएगा. Third level. And can I say the sediments are getting parked in the ocean also on the side? Ocean में भी तो जा रहे हैं ना, ऐसे beaches बनते हैं, the coastline gets expanded. Do you understand? So oceans are also getting. So what will they get? They'll get the blacks also, and then they'll get the red dots also. Yes or no? So here is number one either, number two either, number three either. And if a geologist wants to find the history, all he needs to do is dig and find out. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? What is this called? जल्दी से बता दो. This column को क्या बोलते हैं? कल बताया था. Stratigraphy. Very good, आकृति everyone. वो देखो पहले प्रशांत ने का non conformity. क्यों non conformity है? The oldest one has gone at the bottom. Okay, layer. फंडा मत अभी से non conformity. Is everyone okay? Stratigraphy. Perfect. Can you see the colors, everyone? Green color, magenta color, black color. Green color, magenta color, black color. एक और डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ, everyone. The previous diagram has been modified. उसी का next phase आ रहा है. Number one only black. Number one only black. Can I say number one? Number two is black and red. And on top, the green one is number three. Is everyone okay? What did I do? What is this? Original protocontinent. One is formation of protocontinent. Second is pitae of protocontinent, or it is going down. And third is we get this is the protocontinent. How many are there like this? Many. What are they doing? They are moving on the surface of the planet. What will happen? They will accrete. Okay. Everyone, I have a question. X, Y, Z. Why they aren't at the same level? Erosion is happening. Why X, Y, Z are not at the same level? This is also solid. This is also solid. This is also solid. These are rocks. These are rocks. These are rocks. The different structures. The center is igneous. Everyone understood? Simple. वो देखो अभी slope लेके आया श्रीश कौन सी slope लाया बेटा? सिंपल चीज तो अपने को समझ ही नहीं आती यार. ये इसको हम कट कर रहे हैं, केक को हम कट कर रहे हैं बीच में से. भाई हार्ड है तो वैसे हो. You want to cut a slice of mango where the seed comes, उधर uneven हो जाता है कि नहीं? होता है नहीं होता? मैंगो की स्लाइड क्या कर रहे हैं? बोल रहा है सर slope. Everyone okay? Okay. What does 1, 2, 3 have? Sediments. What does this have perfectly? अब मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. These eroded protocontinents will accrete to form continents. Is everyone okay? So yesterday we were talking about oceanic and we are talking about this also. Is everyone with me on this? Okay. Why would they accrete, sir? Why would they come closer? So have you ever dissolved some surf excel or Ariel in water, bucket of water? Yeah. I don't know how many of you done that. In childhood, I really used to enjoy that feeling. You take some Ariel powder and put your hand in that, it becomes hot. Have you seen that? Ariel liquid, it becomes hot. I think it's an exothermic reaction. Yes. And then what do? You mix that detergent in water. Is froth created? Jhaag banti ya nahi banti? Is froth created? Yes. Lot of froth. So when you're putting the cloths in that, dipping, so all that froth is there, froth comes out also. So everyone an experiment. So what I do is I take some Ariel or Surf Excel or some detergent and I dissolve it in water and there's a lot of froth and I leave that bucket for 6 hours untouched. What will happen to the bubbles? What will happen to the froth? 6 hours I don't touch it. What will happen to the bubbles? So bubbles will settle more or less. They will be over. Some patches will be there. Can I say some patches will be there? Everyone? Some patches of bubbles might be there on the surface, but not that thick one. Yes, little bit patches. Okay. So this is the water surface in your bucket. This is the water surface in your bucket, and on that surface, I see some patches. Is everyone okay? Now what I do is I put my hand and slowly start turning that. Will all these patches come together or not? Yes or no? In the center. I don't know how many of you done that because practically nahi kiya to. Will they start coming in the center? Yes or no? Centripetal force mano centrifugal jo manna man lo aa jayenge. So imagine Earth is there. Earth is rotating on its axis. Its mantle is also having convection. Will the things which are on the surface of the earth, will they move or not? These protocontinents, will they keep on moving or not? When they collide with each other, can they become bigger? Is everyone okay? So protocontinents gave birth to continental crust. Where is the oceanic crust? Oh, yeah. Can I say this is the oceanic crust? This is what? This is continental crust. सेंचुरी क्रेटन क्यों कह रहे हो, क्यों डरा रहे हो? बीच बीच में कुछ लोग नए नए शब्द ले आते हैं भाई, वो कॉन्टिनेंटल क्रस्ट है, ये ओशियानिक क्रस्ट है, मुझे तो यही समझ में आता है ना? Did we agree that continental crust was created by the destruction of oceanic crust? नीली बोला ये क्या है, पता नहीं नीली ने क्या बोला, क्या पी रहा हुआ है, क्या है? मैं तो बता रहा हूँ भाई ये क्या है। ओशन के भी तो बॉटम पर भी तो क्रस्ट होगी। कहाँ से आई भाई? यहाँ से आई, शुरू से ही थी पिक्चर में, इट वॉज ऑलवेज देयर इन द पिक्चर। ये है नीली। हाँ, अचानक उठे 4 पैक के बाद, मैं कहाँ हूँ, ये क्या है? ज्योग्राफी क्लास चल रही भाई, 3:30 बजे, सेम चली, ठीक है। शशांक गलती से हाथ उठाया, कुछ पूछना है ये बता दो, बिकॉज क्लास को मैं ब्रेक ऐसे ले नहीं रहा हूँ। इज एवरीवन ओके विद दिस? हाँ, क्या पूछना है शशांक बता दो, जो मैं बता रहा हूँ वो तो है, तुम्हें तो बीच में अचानक ही पूछना, सर मैं नया हूँ मुझे बताइए कि सर क्या मैं आज की क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा मत करो। टॉपिक चल रहा है, बीच में हाथ उठा दिया, उसके बाद सर पूछना क्या पूछना है बता दो। एवरीवन विद मी ऑन दिस? ओशियनिक प्लेट इज ऑलरेडी देयर, एंड फ्रॉम ओशियनिक प्लेट व्हाट इज क्रिएटेड? Continental. Now you have a brick of iron, and you put it in water. That brick settles down. But you have a brick of thermocol. You put it in water. Does it go down? No, sir. Thermocol will float. The iron brick will go down. Why? Sir, denser? No. Always remember, continental material is lighter. So continental material will never subduct. Is everyone okay? Once created, does not get subducted. Remember कल बताया था subduction, one material goes down. So oceanic will get subducted, continental will not get subducted. Everyone remember, initially ocean was 100%, the crust, it got destroyed and continent is created and it is getting accumulated. शशांक is saying sir how sedimentary was created, वो भी तो igneous था यार, मतलब आज तो जहर खाने का मन हो रहा है, very sad यार। शशांक has a question. Sir, oceanic crust was igneous, no? Continental crust is igneous, sir. How was sedimentary created? कोई बता यार, how was sedimentary created? बेटा पहला रॉक हमेशा igneous होता है, उसको इरोड करके जो उसके सेडिमेंट्स होते हैं उसी से सेडिमेंट्री बनता है। बोला सर ओशियानिक तो igneous था, सर वो सेडिमेंट्री कैसे हो गया? अरे उसी के सेडिमेंट से हुआ। Remember yesterday we said Archean rocks were the original rocks. उनके सेडिमेंट से जो रॉक्स बने वो क्या कहलाए? पुराना। घर जाके पढ़ेगा भी तो भाई। एवरीवन डू वी रिमेंबर 3 रॉक होते हैं, इग्नियस रॉक, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक। सवाल कुछ भी हाथ रेस करके पूछना है भाई। चलो थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई करो भाई, ऐसा मत करो यार। एवरीवन ये तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? एनसीईआरटी तो पढ़ेंगे, पहले 2 चैप्टर बताए थे पढ़ने की। बोला हाउ कैन दिस इग्नियस गिव सेडिमेंट्री? इग्नियस से ही सेडिमेंट्री आता भाई, किसी भी चीज के सेडिमेंट से सेडिमेंट्री आएगा। ये सुनो, और कैसे आएगा ये बना के दिखाया था, मजाक नहीं किया था सच में। बोला ये मसाला कहाँ जाएगा, वेयर विल दिस मसाला गो ऑफ इग्नियस? यहाँ पर आएगा, ऐसा मान लिया था तब आपने। इसके बाद एक ट्रू एंड फॉल्स भी किया था, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? कुछ भी। बहुत सुंदर यार, कोई बात नहीं, टीचर का हौसला नहीं टूटना चाहिए, बच्चे तो मसाला करते रहेंगे। शशांक क्यों खेल खेल रहे हो? अभी भी गलत नहीं समझ में आया तुम्हें? बोला सर मसाला तो इग्नियस ही है ना, क्या खेल खेल रहा है यार, मतलब दिस इज वेरी सैड यार। whatever may be the source, the rocks are this thing or not, will we call them sedimentary rock or not? ये बोला सर मसाला तो इग्नियस ही है ना। हाँ मेरे मासूम शशांक, इतने लोगों के सामने प्रॉब्लम ये है, इतने लोगों के सामने टीचर ने बोल दिया इज रॉन्ग। अब ये बड़ी दिक्कत है यार, आई एम रॉन्ग एंड पीपल आर थिंकिंग आई एम अ फूल। शशांक nobody is thinking you are a fool, in fact even I did not think you are a fool, otherwise I would have not answered it. Igneous rock, when those sediments go, please do not justify अरे मेरे को इतने लोगों के सामने बोल दिया भाई, these sediments when they are going, when they get solidified, they will be called a sedimentary rock। यही कह रहे सर मसाला तो इग्नियस ही है ना। यार आधे लोग तो मतलब ऐसे लेकर बैठे हैं, स्टूडेंट को ये बड़ी दिक्कत है कि मेरी इज्जत कम ना हो जाए। भाई कमा तो लो। ट्रू भाई, एवरीवन एनीवन हु हैज इश्यूज कि भाई मेरी इज्जत कम हो गई, मेरा पॉइंट तो फिर भी ठीक था, किसी को दिक्कत है तो बता दो यार। भाई वो आंसर, वो पॉइंट गलत था। इग्नियस और मेटामॉर्फिक, इवन इफ द रॉक्स वर मेटामॉर्फिक, इफ देयर सेडिमेंट्स, इग्नियस की जगह मेटामॉर्फिक भी होता। मेटामॉर्फिक भी हटाओ, अगर लाइमस्टोन भी होता, रिमेंबर लाइमस्टोन इज, लाइमस्टोन नहीं कह रहा हूं, शेल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी होता, शेल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म भी होता, से फॉर एग्जांपल शेल ऑफ स्नेल भी होता, तो वो भी सेडिमेंट्स जाकर क्या बनेंगे, जो रॉक्स बनेंगे वो बनेंगे सेडिमेंट्री रॉक। यस नो? Now, can you understand? Just to save Shashank's all the grace and izzat, I have to prove that I was not wrong. Shashank, ये छोड़ दे, आपकी मेरी क्यों लड़ाई कर रहे हैं? I am on your side. I am on your side, Shashank. Everyone, I am on your side. यार ये लड़ाई छोड़ दे. भाई आपने पूछा your question was wrong. आपने पूछा your question was wrong. Your question was very clearly, sir. Even the ocean was igneous. How can it be sedimentary? How can these be sedimentary? Igneous से भी sedimentary, metamorphic से भी sedimentary, shell से भी sedimentary. I also want to tell you that if we have plastic waste, if human beings are sending plastic waste to the ocean, and that plastic will also deposit, those layers will turn into rocks. That will be there. So please यार ऐसी वाली बातों पर let us not unnecessarily slow down the class. Get that everyone? So everyone, are we here on this? यहाँ तक clear है सब लोग? So sediments have got deposited on the side and the center is still there. True? Perfect. अब ये क्वेश्चन मैंने कुछ पुराने स्टूडेंट से पूछा है. So old students need not answer. For the new students, please try. There is a concept going to come. Please make a guess. Your father gives you a call. And he says that enough of UPSC, gone. Your grandfather left an island. Remember an island? Right now, is it an island or not? Your grandfather left an island for us. And island has gold. Island is full of gold, full of copper. Yes, full of precious metals. How many of you will immediately leave this class? सर हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ, अब पढ़ा लो जो पढ़ाना है, no issues. How many of you will immediately leave this class? जल्दी से पोल करा रहा हूँ, yes बोल देना if you will leave this class. Immediately, सर हो गया, अपने पास gold का island है, full of gold. How many of you will immediately leave this class? 15 सेकंड का टाइम है डिसाइड करने का. ये नहीं, वो बोल रही है, do you love me, हाँ या ना बोलना है. ये नहीं कि मैं IAS बनने की बात करूंगा. So 1/3 of the class was very smart. उन्होंने कहा भाई हम एकदम छोड़ देंगे. 1/3 of the class immediately said that we are smart, we will leave it. Get that? Please count me on your side. मैं आपकी जगह होता मैं भी छोड़ के निकल लेता. Seriously. Others I don't know what you will do. इतना गोल्ड है, मतलब नहीं सर, I have come here for service of the country, sir, becoming an IAS officer, I want to serve the masses, serve the poor people. गोल्ड के बाद भी हो सकता है. इतना कुछ होगा तभी तो करेगा. अभी तो you're fighting with the teacher. Yes or no? कुछ होगा तब तो करेगा. No sir, gold corrupts the person, then he goes into bad habits and all those things. Okay, give me, I am okay with bad habits. Let the gold come. हम तो सोच भी नहीं पाते, सोच में भी गरीबी है. So I am with those 33% people. In fact, if you have all that gold, gold full of this thing, island full of gold, I'll make my own this thing territory out of it. मेरी territory है, and I will call up the UPSC chairman and ask him, are you interested in freelance work? I will pay for you. I want some recruitment. Will you recruit for me? Yes sir. समझ देखो सर, गवर्नमेंट will take away from us. अब तो तुमको ऐसे टेंशन में GST लग जाएगा. अरे GST देने के बाद यार पैटर्नल वो है कि नहीं? मंदिर भूमि दे दी कि नहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने? ऐसे दे सकते हैं. मेरी है भाई, पूछते नहीं, मेरे पास पेपर्स है उसके. आधे लोग तो टेंशन में. नीरज बोला नो ब्राइब इन यूपीएससी. नीरज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग ब्राइब इन यूपीएससी. नो, आई एम सेइंग यूपीएससी प्लीज हायर फॉर मी. मेरी स्टाफिंग कर दो. आप लोगों के लिए यूपीएससी इज गॉड, फॉर मी यूपीएससी इज व्हाट? मैनिंग एजेंसी, गवर्नमेंट्स मैनिंग एजेंसी. डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड? तुम तो सोच रहे हो बड़ी चीज है यार, पीपल हु आर इन जॉब्स, एचआर है यार यूपीएससी. तो तुम सोच रहे हो सर यूपीएससी को करप्ट कर रहा है. ना, आई विल कॉल देम अप. आई नीड थर्ड पार्टी हायरिंग. वेरी गुड आयुष, कि मुझे कुछ लोग हायर करने हैं. मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक टैलेंट आना चाहिए. आर यू पीपल इंटरेस्टेड? आउटसाइड यूपीएससी भी थोड़ा काम कर लेना मेरे लिए. बाकी 66% साधु लोग तो मतलब छोड़ो. तुम लोग एग्जाम दो, तुम क्लास रेगुलर अटेंड करना, मैप भी बना के लाना. बाकी दी स्मार्ट पीपल, ऑल दी स्मार्ट पीपल 33% जो जा रहे हैं. सो यू रीच विद योर फादर ऑन दिस आइलैंड. योर फादर से अरे वो अनअकैडमी सब्सक्रिप्शन क्या हुआ? दैट डम्प्ड इट, नो प्रॉब्लम, माली. ही सेड व्हाट वर यू रीडिंग लास्ट? ही सेड ज्योग्राफी. अच्छा ज्योग्राफी, वेरी गुड. सो देयर इज गोल्ड. जल्दी से बता कहां पे खुदाई करनी है, तूने तो ज्योग्राफी पढ़ लिया है. सो वेयर शुड वी बिगिन डिगिंग? एक्स वाई जेड, क्विकली जल्दी से बता दो. एंड स्पेशली फॉर द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, कहां पे करोगे? एक्स में करूंगा, वाई में करूंगा, एक्स में करूंगा, वाई में. आई थिंक एक्स एंड जेड इज वन ऑप्शन. एक्स एंड जेड इज सेम ऑप्शन, एंड वाई. सो वेयर वुड यू डिग फॉर गोल्ड? क्योंकि दो साइड है. सो लेट्स वोट. सो ट्रू विल बी से एक्स एंड जेड, एंड फॉल्स विल बी वाई. इज एवरीवन ओके? यू टू सिलेक्ट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. विच साइड आर यू? एवरीवन 15 सेकंड का पोल है. 15 सेकंड का पोल है. विच साइड आर यू? सिलेक्ट. सर मैं तो यहीं पे पढ़ रहा हूँ यूपीएससी. तुम आइलैंड नहीं है, जो आइलैंड जा रहे हो वो तो कर लो. वेयर वुड यू स्टार्ट डिगिंग? वेयर वुड यू टेल योर फादर टू डिग? वेल इट्स अ वेरी डिवाइडेड वन यार. 45-55. ये 45 है, 45, ये 55. That means the class doesn't have concept clarity. So everyone, I want gold and metals. Some people want to dig in X and Y. Some people want to dig in Y. X and Y from the pole is less. So X and Y people. Y, X and Y. Sorry, X and Z. Y, X and Z. Everyone, why X and Z? X and Z people, why do you want to dig there? Quickly, easy to dig, easy to dig. Sir, gold is found in river sediments. Very good. So it is easy to dig. Gold is found in river sediments. Sir, it is softer rock. Oh. So everyone, I have an interesting story. So there is an old woman. She cannot see things properly. So she dropped a pin somewhere. She has dropped a pin somewhere, a needle somewhere. दिखता नहीं हाथ में. And the place is full of hay. भूसा भरा हुआ है. hay stack में. ठीक है? She has dropped a needle and she is trying to locate it. Get that? So somebody comes and sees what is this old woman trying to do, and he finds that she is looking for needle. She's standing here. So this man says, Amma, let me help you. क्या खो गया? उन्होंने कहा मेरी needle खो गई. So he starts looking over here. He says, Amma, यहीं पे गिरी थी क्या? बोले नहीं, गिरी तो यहाँ पर थी. It had fallen at X. Amma, then why are you finding at Y? And you also made me find at Y. He said, because this is illuminated. Isn't this a stupid idea? Yes. So when people tell me, sir, X and Z are easy to erode. First of all, you are thinking you, your father, and Kudal. You, Papa, and Kudal, and even Mama has come. तीनों लग के खोदोगे. But first, the machine will do it. You are not going to do it. Second is, why? Why would you go for the soft rock or something? You should go where you will find the rock. Sir, but gold is found in the sediment of the river. Beta, gold is found in the sediment of the river. River also got the sediment from somewhere. No, I was just explaining, Shashank. That masala would have come from some place. No. Why are you looking for sediments? Where would the gold be? Sir, in the igneous rock, magma is rich in what? Metals. So why may milega? Why may 100% concentrated milega? Don't you think that this will be dilute? Oh my God, people said, sir, ease of digging. And then you say, sir, मैं IAS बनने वाला. True. Sir, उसमें ना fossil हो, अंदर गोबर निकला, क्या निकला? Who knows? Where will I look for it? That's where geography smart people are able to do that. Gold have high density. It will have deep side of the rock. मुझे पता नहीं दीपांशु गोल्ड की डेंसिटी हाई होती कि नहीं होती. मैंने तो देखा गोल्ड बड़ा लाइट सा होता है. छोटे से 1 ग्राम में भी हम काफी कुछ फैला लेते हैं उसको. बट ठीक है, आप ज्यादा जानते हो सकता है आप सोनारी जानते हो, हम नहीं जानते यार. ट्रू. डेंसर मेटल में मर्क्यूरी सुना था मैंने. एल्यूमिनियम तो लाइट ही होता है, सिल्वर भी लाइट होता है. इतना लाइट होता है कि सिल्वर की फॉइल बना के मतलब आप बर्फी में भी खाते हो. बट ठीक है, व्हाई शुड आई टॉक इन केमिस्ट्री? Lenin is saying gold is light metal, somebody is saying gold is heavy metal. तुम दोनों लड़ लो केमिस्ट्री में. अपने को तो ये समझ में आया, if I was with my father, dad, let's go for Y. And let's dad call a machine because it is going to dig. Let us both not dig. ठीक है? Number 1. Second thing is, if your father says that gold metallurgy is very costly, I don't have the budget, I want to set up a cement factory. Cement is possible. Where will the cement factory be set up? सब लोग कहेंगे sir X and Z because you got the concept. All of you are smart. थोड़ा सा समझ में आ गया तो हाँ यार ये तो सही है. वहां पे सेडिमेंट से फिर सीमेंट में तो सेडिमेंट ही थे ना. ये सब somebody was worried that government will take away all the soda. अरे आइलैंड मिला, मैं इधर जाके फैक्ट्री बनाऊंगा. एक बार मौका मिले, अगर पापा जिस दिन बोले आइलैंड मिला, दौड़ जाना. But care. Everyone, I'm going to write something very, very important here. Protocontinents have, listen to me and don't unnecessarily create doubt where there is clarity. Protocontinents have a magmatic shield. What do they have? A magmatic shield and a sedimentary platform. समझ में आ गया? So protocontinents are made up of what? Protocontinents are made up of shields and platform. बार-बार पूछ रहा है सर, shield क्या होता है? मिल गया shield. Is everyone okay? Shield holds the platform. Is everyone okay? अब मैं एक बड़ा सेंटेंस लिखने वाला हूँ. Write it somewhere big. All continents are made up of shields and platforms. Is everyone okay? Please write it down. Indian peninsula had 10 Archean Proterozoic shields with their platforms. Anyone who has doubt about shields and platforms? Will you be surprised if somebody says Chota Nagpur has got iron ore? Arey, that's a shield, udhar hi to milega. True or not? Is it a surprise that Aravalis are rich in copper deposit? Khetri mines? Arey, udhar to milega yaar, wo to shield hai. Karnataka shield is rich in metals, Kolar gold field, manganese, iron ore. Yes or no? Shield hai. True or not? Do we understand? But Maharashtra, the basaltic lava plateau is not a shield. समझ में आ गया सब लोगों को? shield और platform everywhere in the world, all continents are made up of two things: shield and platform. Which one is easy to erode? So platforms are easy to erode. Shields are strong, sturdy. That's all. I don't know whether you realize or not. By doing this, you have already identified most of the metal address in India. Peninsula में जो metals का address है, that is there. Now they were stuck together with something. क्या होगा वहां पर? क्या होगा? What is sticking them? It's a plateau, a platform. This platform is called Malwa Plateau. होगा कि नहीं होगा? यहाँ पर क्या है? विंध्या है. विंध्या region, विंध्या uplands are there. इधर क्या है? Deccan Lava Plateau. Everyone, does Deccan Lava Plateau spread everywhere? Or does it have an address? Sir, it has an address. ये रहा, आप शेड कर दीजिए सर, ये वाला हिस्सा Deccan Lava Plateau. Yes or no? This is the Deccan Lava Plateau. Compared to igneous, compared to अंशिका महाराष्ट्र प्लेटू मत लेकर आओ. कहां से लाए हो मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने तो कहीं नहीं पढ़ा महाराष्ट्र प्लेटू. बट यू विल ब्रिंग समथिंग. सर ये देखो ये किताब है, चंपक किताब, तो अब रोक नहीं सकते. बट यहाँ पे जरूर है कि दिस लावा प्लेटू हैज गॉट डाइसेक्टेड. अब यहाँ पर अजंता, सतमाला, हरिश्चंद्र, बालाघाट बन गया. ठीक है एवरीवन? सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड why I wanted you to do certain things, and I promise everyone in this class, your memory requirement will reduce if you follow the class the way they are doing, and please follow the assignments. Do not be tired. अपने मन से करो कि नहीं करो? कंपेयर करते हैं, लोगों के आंसर देखते हैं क्या सबमिशन हुआ. ठीक है? Someone has submitted this और ये कह रही है number 1. This number 1. Can you see this? This is number 1. This is Deccan. क्यों कर रहे भाई? Is this Deccan everyone? Wrong है ना? सबमिट कर रहे, क्यों कर रहे पता नहीं. नंबर 2 तेलंगाना. क्यों कर रहे हैं तेलंगाना? नहीं पता क्यों कर रहे हैं. नंबर 6 इज बागेलखंड एंड नंबर 7 इज छोटा नागपुर. क्यों पूछा? क्या सबमिट कर रहा है? क्यों सबमिट कर रहा है? इंप्रेस करने के लिए. इनको रिक्वेस्ट कर दिया, टाइम ना वेस्ट करें अपना, जो पूछा जाए वो करें. ये सब कुछ भी मिक्स किया अपनी तरफ से. छोटा नागपुर भी लिखा, हजारीबाग भी लिखा, रांची भी लिखा. क्यों कर रहे पता नहीं क्यों कर रहे, और गलत भी कर रहे. दिस इज इवन रॉन्ग बट डूइंग दैट. ठीक है? कंपेयर द पर्सन सबमिटिंग A एंड दिस पर्सन वाज सबमिटेड B. सो नीरज सर यू सेड अबाउट पॉइंट्स, नो मैप. सो इसने क्या किया? इसने अपना पूरा लिस्ट बनाया, सारी चीजें, एंड अपना एक मैप भी बना दिया, उनको लोकेट भी कर लिया. गुड थिंग और नॉट? मैंने तो जिन लोगों को फीडबैक दिया, आई सेड डिड यू लुक इन द एटलस आल्सो? आई हैव इवन सीन सम पीपल कॉपीइंग द नोटबुक, पूरा का पूरा नोटबुक कर रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन नोटबुक. आई वांट एवरीवन टू बी कंफर्टेबल विद गारो हिल्स, खासी हिल्स, अजंता, सतमाला, बालाघाट. ये आपकी जुबान पे आ जाने चाहिए. कैन दे कम? आई ट्रीट यू एज बिगनर्स भाई. ये मुझे क्यों इंप्रेस कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता, मैं डिप्रेस हो जाता हूं. So if I get depressed, will I be able to support such huge number of students? Will I make safe distance from such things? आपका नुकसान नहीं होने का, चिंता मत करो. मैं डिप्रेस होता ही. मैं कहता हूं यार, let us save each other's time. आप अच्छा करें, प्लीज करते हैं. ठीक है? So out of A and B, who you feel has really done, you know, like some दिमाग लगाया कि एक step. Can I say this is proactive? Person is proactive. वो लिस्ट ही बनाया, उन्होंने भी लिस्ट बनाया, and he or she has written also, and that's it. तो अरावली दिखा भी दिया, ये भी दिया. Suppose you've not done this, don't feel bad. You have to do this on the mapping project. अच्छा, एक ने ये सबमिट किया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अरावली है, इसका ओरिएंटेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डेस्ट फोल्ड माउंटेन, हाईएस्ट पीक गुरु शिखर. ठीक है, अच्छी बात. दिस इज आल्सो दैट. सेंट्रल प्लेटू कंसिस्ट ऑफ बुंदेलखंड, विंध्या, सतपुरा, मालवा, बागेलखंड. ठीक है, गुड, परफेक्टली ओके. उसके बारे में लिख दिया, आपने भी ऐसे लिखा है. Now some people have written pages and pages. मुझे ये अच्छा ज्यादा लग रहा है कि आपको ये पता है. You know that there is a Karbi Anglong plateau. You know there are Mikir Hill, Rengma Hill, Garo Hill, Khasi Hill, Jaintia Hill. आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताऊं. प्लीज एवरीवन गो एंड चेक द फ्लड मैप ऑफ असम राइट नाउ. आपको ये वाला पॉकेट पे फ्लड नहीं होगा. Karbi Anglong is not flood affected. Mikir and Rengma is not flood affected. Why? They are highlands. Simple. So you want to go to Kerala and you are afraid that Kerala might be flooded. Go to a higher area. Wayanad. Wayanad district is a higher district. जो वेस्टर्न घाट के पास है वाली डिस्ट्रिक्ट में चले जाओ. कैन ज्योग्राफी स्टूडेंट भी स्मार्ट इनफ. ये सब अब इन्होंने लिख दिया डेक्कन लावा इज आर्यन क्रिटेशियस. अभी बहुत लोगों को नाम नहीं पता. आई डू दैट. बट अजंता, सतमाला, बालाघाट, हरिश्चंद्र ये पता होना चाहिए. एंड हाईएस्ट पीक इज कलसुबाई. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वर एबल टू डू दिस मच? That there is Ajanta, Satmala, Balaghat, Harishchandra, and highest peak is Kalsubai. If you are doing this, you are on track. और ये GS level है. Can I expect you to have your GS level? My job to take you to the next level. वो मैं ले जाऊँ. You did this very good. Everyone who's done this, that's okay. But थोड़े से अगर बुलेट पॉइंट्स लिख लेंगे, that's also okay. डिटेल नहीं चाहिए. अच्छा, किसी ने ऐसा लिखा तो कैसा रहेगा? देखिए इन्होंने ये लिखा डेक्कन लावा प्लेटू. यहाँ पे इन्होंने वो बनाया वेस्टर्न घाट. इन्होंने उसके कुछ घाट्स भी लिख दिए. महाबलेश्वर पीक्स आर आल्सो देयर. साउथ ऑफ सतपुरा रेंज, बसाल्ट इज देयर, एंड महानदी बेसिन, कलसुबाई, इग्नियस रॉक. तो इन्होंने काफी कुछ लिखने पे. The focus was on writing. But if you ask me Deccan Lava Plateau, This is not Deccan Lava Plateau. You are giving me Western Ghat. Deccan Lava Plateau today has been broken into ranges. But I can see that this person is treating his or her work as a dream. This person dream कर रहे ना, कोशिश कर रहे, not as a burden. This person, Karnataka Plateau composed of highly metamorphosed, made up of hard rock, made has metallic minerals, has Malnad, has Maidan. Now these are notes. ये मैं करवा दूंगा क्लास में. I want everyone to be familiarized. Is the map work done? सबने atlas work किया है. So today is your first map assignment. First India map project assignment. We will start plotting now itself. Now means from today itself. Sorry, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं. Everyone who's new, I want you to take 105 A4 blank sheets. In this 105 नहीं रखते, 85 रखते, and 20 outline maps of India. जो UPSC में आएगा. Right from the beginning, first topic itself, I start doing this. Okay, that 20 outline maps. So where will I get this? It is already on the Telegram group. उसके images में search कर लेना, outline map मिल जाएगा. Somebody, if you can, please share it again. वो भी कर देना. What you have to do is, you have to take one map. Yes. And behind that, there should be 4 blank sheets. Is everyone okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are for write-up. This one is for plotting. How many such things? Into 20, will it make 100 pages? Everyone clear? वैसे तो मैंने फाउंडेशन में बता दिया था, but people who joined now, so उनके लिए फिर से बता दिया. Not a difficult thing. एक पेज यहाँ पर आएगा. That will be called as index page. On index page, we will write the themes of the map. Like first theme which I am giving you today is the Highland theme. So one problem, in place of physical, I have political map. Do I need to change? बिल्कुल शुभम, you need to change because in the exam UPSC outline map देती है, political नहीं देती. You get that? But if you have already done this और staple भी कर चुके हो, spiral भी कर चुके हो, तो political रख लो. Political boundaries are of no use. If somebody has already made a spiral, I say no, if you don't do this, I am not your teacher. मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं है भाई. I am being human till that. My intention is you should have a map. Is everyone okay? So Shubham, if you have spiraled it, you can use it. But in the real exam, you will not get any state boundary आएगा. Remember, I told you 3 books बनाने थे, diagram book बनाना है, home state project and this thing. So India map वाला चल रहा है. Everyone clear on this? पहला theme क्या है? Highland theme. First is Highland theme, and here we are writing peninsular ranges and plateaus. ठीक है? Peninsular ranges and plateaus. Is everyone okay? कैसा बनेगा? So how will it look? ऐसा दिखेगा. Do we get that? True. But there is something wrong in this. What is wrong? The symbols. The symbols are wrong, location is wrong, and this is the political map. I don't want political map. Political map से location नहीं होती है. ये वाला map चलेगा. This is the outline map that we are talking. Is everyone okay? अब मैं symbols दे दूँ everyone? Do I give you symbols which you will use? Symbol can be a point symbol. Point symbol is when you are writing a city. A city is shown like this. Small city is shown like this. Town. So if you are marking Delhi, you will use this symbol. And if you are marking a smaller town like Noida, तो आप ये mark करो. Everyone clear? अभी तो नहीं करना. अभी तो I'm not asking you to plot that. Let's not. Whenever we are plotting, we will plot the river like this. Put the arrow so that we know which direction, and put the tributaries also. Main river is that. River का symbol मिल गया सबको. Mountain range, mountain peak, mountain pass. Mountain range will be shown like this or this. A and B. What is the difference between A and B? जल्दी से बता दो. UPSC ने भी GS में पूछा. Alignment or orientation. Get that? Some mountains are north south. Some mountains are east west. So please make that also. Is everyone clear? Very very important thing. Right in the first unit, I tell my student and I give you the freedom. आपकी mapping should be more scientific now. It should not be a kids play. वो GS वाले के लिए, हमारे लिए बहुत clear है. And this is interesting also. Mountain peak is a solid triangle. अभी हमने देखा mountain peak is a solid triangle. कौन सा था? किसी ने लिखा Mount Kalsubai, which is the highest peak of Western Ghat, Sahyadri. ठीक है? What is a mountain pass? Mountain pass is a gap. Mountain pass is a gap between a range, natural gap. इसको क्या symbol होता है ये? depending on the alignment of the mountain range, the pass will also either be vertical or horizontal. Everyone clear? Any doubt? Ranges, peaks, passes, they will be there. City, town, river. Done. Last, how do we show a plateau? Plateau is an aerial unit. Plateau is an aerial unit. Can you see this is a point unit? This is a point unit. Can you see river is a linear unit, line unit? Is everyone okay? Plateau is a aerial unit. How do you show it? आप उसका approximate area of coverage ऐसे दिखाएंगे that this is a plateau. To show its altitude आप ऐसा उसको 3D भी कर सकते हैं. Do we get that? If you don't want to do a 3D, all you have to do is make this and show lines like this. This means this is elevated, whichever you want. Is everyone okay? So do you understand the error over here? इस map में क्या error है? What is the error? Aravali ऐसे बनना चाहिए था. Aravali will be made like this. The southernmost peak of Aravali इधर कुछ आ जाएगा. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Guru Shikhar. One thing which you must learn from here is don't write Guru Shikhar here. Give it a number and write it here. What is this? This is called a legend. Map का क्या होता है? Legend होता है. What is there? Is everyone okay? So symbol, numbers, legend, वो legend कहलाता है. So what is wrong in here? ये भी बताता हूँ. और क्या wrong है इधर? ये इन्होंने लिखा है छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू 8 और 9 क्या लिखा है? 9 इन्होंने लिखा है हजारीबाग प्लेटू और 10 लिखा है भांची प्लेटू. तो ये रॉन्ग है. दिस इज रॉन्ग. डू यू गेट दैट? यहाँ पर क्या बनना चाहिए था? इट शुड हैव बीन लाइक दिस. दिस इज छोटा नागपुर प्लेटू. इट्स नॉर्दर्न पार्ट इज कॉल्ड हजारीबाग, सदर्न पार्ट इज अरावली, सॉरी रांची. और यहाँ पर बनना चाहिए था एक और. ये क्या है? राजमहल हिल्स. डू यू सी व्हाट इज द एरर? मैं everyone, I hope you can understand I am not an enemy of this person कि मैंने ऐसे सबके सामने एरर बता दिया. I am helping this person, so I am on your side. Please don't see me as your enemy. अरे यार मेरे आंसर को सर ने गलत बता दिया. What is this? Rajmahal Hills. And the highest peak of Rajmahal Hill is Mount Parasnath. Is everyone okay? So I hope I have corrected it. My intention is not to find faults. My intention is to show you the right way. So please get that. Starting की classes है, they are taking a lot of time, but please understand, even a plane before going for a flight, take off से पहले runway पे रहता है या नहीं रहता है? So before our flight takes off, I am on the runway, giving you vocabulary, giving you symbols, giving you maps, giving you homework. कर लो, do not treat me as your enemy. I am on your side. अरे यार इतना काम दिया है, एक बार ही आ गया, कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. मैपिंग में मार्क्स भी मिलेंगे बहुत अच्छे, हमेशा के लिए याद भी हो जाएगा कि नहीं? Now look at this diagram, does it make sense or not? ये जो लाइनें बना दी हैं ये एरर है, जिसका भी you don't even know the name, even I don't remember the name. So what's the problem? Everyone, I told you, please wait for me. I have things as per plan. They will come. Is everyone with me? ये बन जाएगा. Highland theme के दो मैप बनेंगे, map 1 and map 2. Why? Because everyone, if you try to stuff in everything in one map, no, कचरा हो जाएगा. Do you understand? Yes or no? So what I can do is, in one map, I will draw Aravali, छोटा नागपुर plateau, and Karnataka झील. And in the other map, I will draw Malwa Vindhya Satpura and इधर का, so that उससे भीड़ नहीं होगी. नीली बोल रहा था थैंक यू फॉर द रिव्यू. मुझे भी मेरी गलती पता लग गई. आई डोंट नो नीली, आप ही का था. आई डोंट थिंक सो दिस इज योर्स, बट एनीवेज whosoever has done that. चलिए, सो एवरीवन विद मी ऑन दिस. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू फॉर 2? दो मैप में करना है, डोंट डू इट ऑल टुगेदर. यस, हाईलैंड 1 एंड हाईलैंड 2. यहाँ पर इंडेक्स में क्या आ जाएगा? हाईलैंड 1 एंड हाईलैंड 2. I also want to tell everyone, I also want to tell you everyone, when I am done with Peninsula, I will ask you to Highland 1 पर हिमालय भी डालो. In one map I will ask you to do this, and in the other map I will ask you to do this. Highland 1 में ये जाएगा वेस्टर्न हिमालय, Highland 2 में ईस्टर्न हिमालयस. Do you get that? It is all planned. All you have to do is just smartly do the work. Symbols मिल गए, सबको मिल चुका है. So ये तो स्कूल में करते थे. देखो, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए नहीं करा रहा हूँ. आई नो दैट ग्रेट लेडी, क्या नाम है, विद्या बालन, शी सेड ओनली 3 थिंग्स रन द इंडस्ट्री: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. आई थिंक ऑनलाइन कोचिंग भी काफी कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट 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 है, बट आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट इज नॉट माय इंटेंशन. 20 mark India map question will come in paper 2. That is why I am doing this. Compulsory, yes. I am preparing you for the compulsory one. Is everyone okay? एक जगह पे compact कर दिया है. This is in front of you. Whenever you want to, whenever you forgotten, play this part of the video. Job will be done. Do we get that? So you know the shields. You know what is shield and platform. You know the 10 shields. You are glad that you did not forget it. Now you have to plot something also. वो भी कर लेंगे. And tell me, will this homework help if already somebody has done Karnataka plateau like this? डेक्कन लावा प्लेटू की प्रॉपर्टीज लिखे हैं, काम करेगा, ये करेगा करेगा। ये जीएस लेवल है ना, इज दिस नॉट जीएस लेवल? Unacademy GS books also have it. Yes or no? Key points. Guru Shikhar is the highest peak. Can I with all responsibility and this thing hand it over to you? ये कर लेंगे सब लोग, ठीक है? How can I do some more hand holding? I'm giving you an opportunity to submit, but map will not be submitted to me. Map will be submitted on the group. Group पे करेंगे काम. So what to write on the attached A4 size paper? Short description. Yes. So Leland is asking what to write on those blank ones. Blank पे ये लिखेंगे, ये blank पे लिखना है, इसीलिए कराया था, होमवर्क इसीलिए दिया था, वो bullet notes will go over there. Because in the examination you will be asked to, in the compulsory question you are asked two things. Number one is locate or plot on map and write a brief description. Do you get that? Everyone okay? And especially people who don't know about this exam के लिए करवा रहा हूं. Can I pass it on to you from the NCERT itself? Can you write those 4 bullets? Don't write too much of details. Is everyone okay? ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. So जब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं मेन जियोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेशन में, so the issue happens when I give you a break, उसके बाद टाइम कम रह जाता है. So I want to give a break right now, 5 minutes का break. Can we write human geography features like tribe also? Everything, everyone write a brief description, brief geographical description. It can be physical geography, it can be human geography also. So if you are writing about, you know, Chhattisgarh region and you say that there is Naxalism over there, you can write it. Everyone okay? Are my instructions clear? सब लोगों के instructions clear होने चाहिए. It is 4:20. Can we meet at 4:25? 5 मिनट का break अभी दे रहा हूँ because I don't want a break in this way. Everyone okay? बीच में if you have doubt about the map project, please ask me. I'll support you and that will be checked also. बताया तो शुभम, अभी ब्रेक के बाद मिलते हैं. Everyone, let's not waste the break. तेरा होमवर्क क्या, अभी होमवर्क बताया था, उसके बाद let's meet after the break. Hi everyone, are we back? So what do we have to do? We have to make a highland and a peninsular block का map बनाना है. I'm a little bit confused over how can I categorize some peaks, whether they belong to same plateau or different. Like if I talk of Doda Beta, that is in Karnataka, but what about Anaimudi? Should I consider it as a part of Karnataka? So everyone, he has a problem. Anaimudi is a part of Karnataka or Anaimudi is a part of Doda Beta. कहाँ मिलेगा आंसर? बेटा this is not spirituality, no. This is NCERT ने लिख दिया. Remember that book, खुल्लर का हुआ है, मिल जाएगा उसको. तो जितने भी माउंटेन प्लेटू रिवर सिटीज, नहीं सिर्फ माउंटेन एंड प्लेटू हाईलैंड बोला, नो रिवर नो सिटी, नो रिवर नो सिटी. So everyone, if you open the NCERT, NCERT will tell you. So there are 4 pages to write. Is it like 4 divisions you did? Should I combine? Nobody to write anything. Everyone, homework बता रहा. Clear instruction, बाद में confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. Homework. Today is 29th. Submit by 3rd July 12 PM. चलेगा? Noon. Don't wait for 3rd July. That is the last date. Where do you submit? Telegram group. उसमें पोस्ट करने का जब राइट मिलता है उधर डाल देना. Why this? Peer comparison के लिए. Do you get that? This will be done for peer comparison so that you can see that how others have done. This accelerates the learning. What do you have to do? Highlands only. This includes the plateaus, the peaks, only 2 things, and the ranges, 3 things of peninsular India. 2 maps. So half on one map, so divided in 2 maps. 50-50. Is everyone okay? Whatever word is written over here, if you don't understand, please tell me. Only map plotting? No. No write up. Write up abhi nahi karna hai. Is everyone okay? What will I do in the 4 pages? Nothing. Map plotting 100% accuracy के साथ. ठीक है? With legend. With legend. With legend. What is legend? जो symbols, numbers होंगे वो. ठीक है? What is this? This is the map book assignment. Is everyone okay? Map book assignment. This you have to do. I'm not hurrying up things. See, somebody wrote on the group, sir, I had anthropology. I want to change over to sociology. Any guy, can you tell me the feel of it? Arey, feel of it, pata nahi. Everyone, do you realize that till now, this is our 4th class. I am doing things very, very differently because this is what geography optional requires. It is not sociology optional. It is not public administration. It is not psychology. These are the things needed for geography optional. And I always believe, somebody wrote, I had some other educator, he was into memorizing and all that. I always said that there are better teachers who can complete the syllabus much better than me. I am not into completion. I am into completing it in a way that we get results. Syllabus will be completed, but to get results. Results में जो चाहिए वो काम होगा. And I'm inviting you to be a part of that. Inviting you to be a part of that. Inviting you to be a part of looking at alternate ways of learning things. हो जाएगा ये? Is everyone clear about map book assignment? Please, one request. One request. ये नहीं करना. Do not do this. Poor man submission. Hand drawn map पे ये नहीं करना है. Don't do this on a hand drawn map. सर मुझे मैप मिल नहीं रहा था, मैंने अपने हाथ से ड्रॉ किया और ये देखिए सर, ये रहा कर्नाटका प्लेटू, ये रहा, उधर एक्यूरेसी के मार्क्स है. सो वी आर डूइंग इट फॉर द कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन. डू वी गेट दैट? इसलिए राइट सिंबल एंड एक्यूरेसी इज नीडेड. आई एम डूइंग इट. दिस विल बी योर प्रोजेक्ट, विल हेल्प यू टू रिवाइज एवरीथिंग दैट इज देयर. ठीक है? फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन फाउंडेशन, 100 पेजेस आर डन. व्हेन वी सेड 5 पेजेस विल बी ब्लैंक पेजेस इन द एंड. दीस विल बी फॉर करंट एंट्रीज. इज एवरीवन ओके? करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड एंट्रीज वो भी आएंगे. एम आई क्लियर ऑन दिस? Quick question. If there are any questions, please ask. Done. कल के assignment में error क्या हुआ? कल का assignment, I told people that I'll discuss in the class. Many people wrote very detailed write-ups. अब से detailed write-up लिखना बंद कर दो. Don't write detailed write-ups. They will all come in the map book, map project. छोटा छोटा आएगा. So whosoever has submitted this, see, these are highly metamorphosed, crystalline, plutonic, igneous rocks and hard. They all are same. Get that? Hard, metamorphic, Archean rocks. बस इतना लिखना. ठीक है? Rich in metals, Archean metalliferous rocks. Old, hard, crystalline, metamorphic, metalliferous rocks. Rocks भी नहीं लिखूंगा, shields. Is everyone okay? 3 points. 3 points converted in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Do you get that? Whatever I'll say in the class, I'll give you a sample then and there. I'll not confuse you. I'll give you clarity. That is to be done. Get that? Rishika is saying, sir, I have written a lot in detail. Now I will keep in mind. Absolutely okay. See, there are students who've written the whole book. The pain of it. आप सोचिए, कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपने भी तो नोट्स देखे. बहुत सारे लोग कोचिंग क्लासेस में इतने सारे नोट्स लिख लेते, वो काम नहीं आता. तो मैथ में आ गया. ठीक है? That's all. उसके बाद क्या आएगा? 2 parts. 2 parts. मलनाड मैदान. हाईएस्ट पीक दिस. ठीक है? अभी कर्नाटका प्लेटू जो इन्होंने लिखा नहीं, यहाँ पे गलत हो गया था. एक्चुअली दिस पार्ट इज रॉन्ग. व्हाट दिस पर्सन हैज रिटन ना, कर्नाटका प्लेटू कंसिस्ट ऑफ अनामलाई नीलगिरी, ऐसा नहीं. इसमें हाईएस्ट पीक आनी थी कुद्रेमुख. कंसिस्ट ऑफ मलनाड मैदान, हाईएस्ट पीक इज कुद्रेमुख. मेरी तरफ से तो खत्म हो गया. 2 लाइंस में होल कर्नाटका प्लेटू डाल. इज एवरीवन ओके? आई विल ट्रेन यू, डोंट वरी. हैव आई गिवन यू अ सैंपल? एवरीवन, डिड आई क्लियर द एम्बिग्यूटी? Are these submissions wrong? No, they are not wrong. You are beginners. आपकी आदत है ऐसा सब लिखने की. Keep doing those mistakes. Mistakes are not a problem. Mistakes are not a problem. What is the problem? Inaction is a problem. क्या ये गलत है? नहीं भाई, बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Very good. Congratulations. I can see that you are carrying your dream. But इसको छोटा कर दें. ठीक है? अब अजंता सतमाला ये क्या है? ये लिस्टिंग था. ये हमें चाहिए था लिस्ट. अभी लिस्ट कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? List will go in the map. I hope can you understand? See, there is a lot of madness in preparation. What are we trying to do through this course? We are making it method in madness. ताकि आपको मैप पे किसी से नहीं पूछना पड़ेगा. You have your own personalized book. Whenever you want to prepare, within 2 hours, you will be able to prepare India map. That is the intention. Everyone done? चलिए वापस आते हैं. Where are we now? जियोलॉजिकल फॉर्मेशंस में यहाँ तक आ गए थे. फिजियोग्राफिक डिविजन्स ऑफ इंडिया ये हमने कर लिया था. प्रीकैम्ब्रियन क्रेटॉन. अब हम आ गए यहाँ पे. अगर क्रेटॉन क्या होता है अभी लिख दिया तो आधे लोग इसी पे जानते हैं. So remember Precambrian. So first is Archean. Archean, how many shields were there? 7. Then Proterozoic. Proterozoic is 3. What is the meaning of basement, sir? Remember the pizza. Remember the pizza. Pizza के नीचे में क्या है? सबसे नीचे वाला होगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? बेसमेंट. So is everyone okay to appreciate my sentence that Indian peninsula has an Archean basement. Indian peninsula has an Archean basement. ठीक है? So that's what I'm saying. Perfect. अब मैं कहाँ पर कुछ चीजें मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. Please keep writing also and understanding also. Earth's crust. Oceanic. Continental. Yes. Initial. 100% oceanic. 0% continental. Is everyone okay? Yes or no? शशांक बोला सर आर्कियन बेसमेंट इंक्लूड शील्ड एंड प्लेटफॉर्म. एक बात बताओ एवरीवन, आर्कियन आर द ओल्डेस्ट रॉक्स ना? क्यों मजाक कर रहे हो शशांक? थोड़ी देर रुक सकते हो? थोड़ी देर सोच के बोल सकते हो? एवरीवन, हैव यू कम अक्रॉस पीपल हु विल स्पीक व्हाटएवर कम्स इन देयर माउथ? शशांक, आई वांट यू टू, आई एम एक्सरसाइजिंग दिस पावर राइट नाउ, so you will think and then ask the question. You ask the question about igneous and sedimentary, now don't do this. Get that? Everyone, tell me one thing. The original ones which were created, Archean, no? They were Archean. Yes. सबसे पहले जो रॉक बने, they were Archean. पहले ओशियानिक बने कि नहीं बने? So they would be oceanic. उसके बाद they eroded and then many things happened. So I am saying कि the original rocks which are there, they are Archean. Sir वो शील्ड है, प्लेटफॉर्म है, अभी बताइए. Live with it. Live with it. We are just starting it. We are just starting it. So please digest certain things. Everyone, if I have to start from A to Z and you start asking sir B को B ऐसे क्यों लिखते हैं सर, ये opposite of A है, can I say B is opposite of A? The ball is instead of this side, it has come this side, sir. Please don't play that, Shashank. Enough. Don't do that now. So I am okay with, like your doubts, but if the doubts will slow down the class, that's not fair. Get that? Everyone. So Earth's crust was initially oceanic. I want to tell everyone, and especially the beginners, oceanic plate is heavier. So it has more of magnesium. It has more of metals. Okay. It is mafic. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Mafic. Magnesium, iron. And this is mostly basic in nature. Basic means less silica. Continental, on the other hand, is more felsic in nature. So ये difficult word है. Don't worry. Felsic is iron and silica. So moment silica comes, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Acidic. Do you get that? So in the book you will find many places. Some rocks are acidic, some rocks are basic. Many of you who don't have science background, you will be worried. You will be seriously worried. Oh my God, I don't know acid and base. Have I given you a trick? More silica means acidic. So what is silica? I don't know. Silica is sand. Get that? Iron versus sand. Which one is lighter? Sand is lighter. So please understand, whenever we are talking of acidic rocks, they will be lighter. They will have more silica in them. They will be more viscous. अगर उनको मेल्ट भी किया जाए, remember my chocolate which had fallen in sand, will it become viscous? तो इनका जो लावा होता है ना, अगर इनको मेल्ट किया जाए, so their magma क्या होगा? Viscous होगा. Basic concepts बता रहा हूँ everyone. But if oceanic plate is melted, remember oceanic plate, तो क्या होगा? Magma will be fluid. Is everyone okay? Less viscous. Are we clear? Oceanic plate is made up of certain rocks. The most important rock is basalt. So characteristic rock is basalt. So everyone, can I say basalt is basic? Basalt is fluid. Continent का क्या होता है? Continent कौन से rock से बना होता है? जल्दी बता दो. If you remember. So granite, very good. I want to add one more. Andesite. Sir, I've never heard of andesite. आज पता चल गया. You don't know anything about them, but suddenly I'm telling you, you know two properties about them. They have more silica. They are acidic. And their magma is viscous. Is everyone okay? शिवा बोला viscosity and density are different, sir. अब ये अध्यात्म पे ले जाएगा फिर मुझे. Everyone, do you understand viscosity is about what? Resistance to flow. वो fluidity में आता है. Yes or no? But फिर भी अभी भी मुझसे वो density और वो खेल खेलना चाहते हैं. मैं नहीं फंसूंगा. Is everyone okay? Viscosity is to do with fluidity of it. Get that? Density is mass per unit volume, ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो हम उसमें नहीं आते. Everyone बीच में ऐसे आएंगे. They will show that they have chemistry. और अगर मैंने chemistry पूछ ली, atmosphere when I come, when I ask chemistry, especially if anyone thinks he knows a lot of science, please attend my climatology classes. You'll get to know what science you know. तो वो नहीं करते नहीं. यहाँ तक clear है सब लोग? Very basic thing. Earth crust is made up of this. What are these? These are igneous rocks. Basalt is an igneous, granite is an igneous, andesite is an igneous. Is everyone okay with that? When they break into sediments, what will happen? Those sediments will deposit one layer of sediments, two layers of sediments, multiple layers of sediments, millions of years under their own weight. What will happen? They will get solidified in layers. तो layer को क्या बोलते हैं? Stratified rocks. Remember कल बताया था stratigraphy. So which rocks are stratified, igneous or sedimentary? So sedimentary are stratified. So then what are igneous? Igneous के लिए the characteristic word is crystalline. So do you know of that jalebi or gulab jamun? Jalebi and gulab jamun, are they put in sugar syrup? Do you see some solid formation on that sugar syrup? Yes, that is crystallization. So when something which is fluid or molten, when it solidifies on cooling, it forms crystal. So igneous rocks are crystalline. Sedimentary rocks are stratified. Get it? Tell me from whatever we have talked today, where will I get crystalline rocks? Where will I get sedimentary rocks? Anyone can guess from whatever we have talked today, today's class. Very good, Rakhi. Sir, shield is crystalline. Very good, Shubham. Shield is crystalline. So proud of you, everyone who got this idea. Sir, platforms are stratified. Very, very good. See, all of you are smart. Yeah. इतना easily सब समझ जाते हो. Very good, very good. Thank you. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's not get stuck on this. So in the story, what came first? What came second? Continental. Can I say continental was created by oceanic? ठीक है. एक ग्राफ बना रहा हूँ. Very good, everyone. You're getting it correct. Very good. This axis is time. This axis is time. Get that? And this axis is percent area of continental crust. When Earth began, 0, 0, was there any continental crust? No. Yes. Has it been increasing? Sir, it has been increasing. How much is it right now? So 29%. So I want to tell you a very interesting thing. Very, very interesting thing. This whole plate tectonics. So remember, let us call it as present. Let us call this as present time. So this will be 1 billion year. This will be 2 billion year. This will be 3 billion year before present. Is everyone okay? This is present time. In present time, how much is the continental crust? So this is 29%. It is said that plate tectonics did not start immediately. Remember Hadean में तो नहीं हुआ. Hadean was the hell phase. So can I say 0.8 is gone into that? Yes. After that, somewhere here it started plate tectonic. So moment plate tectonic starts, everyone, when plate tectonic starts, that means the oceanic plate will start moving and striking. And what will happen? What will happen? Subduction. And continental crust will take birth or not? So there have been 3 phases, almost coincident with these billion years, where the amount of continental crust has increased. Either हो गया 10% हो गया suppose. Do you get that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Say for example, which percentage इधर आया? Something it has been increasing. 40. ठीक है? So continental crust has been created by destruction of oceanic crust. Get that? It happened in 4 episodes. इनको बोलते हैं ओरोजेनीज. क्या बोलेंगे उनको? ओरोजेनी, माउंटेन बिल्डिंग. 4 global episodes. तो एक बार बहुत सारे continental crust बना, इधर भी बहुत सारा continental crust बना, बहुत सारा. So that episode when continents are created by ocean at a very planetary scale, those are called this thing. So ये जो हमारी orogeny है, number 4 orogeny, this is called alpine orogeny. Last orogeny is called what? Alpine orogeny. Do we get that? Alpine orogeny. Orogeny is the event in which oceans are converted into continents. So, but they are happening all the time. No, they are happening all the time. But certain global events happened that the whole of the planet was experiencing a large scale of continent creation. Alpine orogeny. इसमें क्या बने? वो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. Alpine comes from the word Alps, Rockies, Andes, Alps, Himalayas. Is everyone okay? This has got nothing to do with paper 2. This is still talking about general how the crust of Earth has been created. Is everyone okay with this? Yeah, that clear? And once created, एक लाइन लिखी थी ना हमने. What did we write? चला गया. Once created, never survives. लिखा था. Plate once created never subducts. Somewhere we wrote. एक लाइन लिख दो. Is everyone okay? So it is getting accumulated. So वो accumulate हो रहा है. Everyone okay? चलिए आपने कर लिया. So I am clear with that this is happening. Everyone okay with this? यहाँ तक clear? Can I go further? Positive movement. Negative movement. Please write down. Lowering of continent or rising sea level. Negative movement. Rising of continent or fall in sea level. So there is a land surrounded by water. This land is at level A. For some reason, this land gets lifted up and has reached A dash. Do we get that? Can you see the difference here was H? Difference here is capital H. True? And this land sinks a little bit. Keep drawing the same thing. And it comes almost at sea level. This land has come at almost at sea level. This is A double dash. A is normal situation. A dash and A double dash. Which one is positive movement? Which one is negative movement? जल्दी से बता. Which one is positive movement? Which one is negative movement? Sir, A dash is negative movement. A double dash is positive movement. Everyone, can you see? Positive and negative is with respect to the sea. If the sea rises, that is positive movement. Why is the sea rising? Because either the land will sink down or can the sea rise on its own? Nowadays, what are we expecting in the world? Positive movement or negative movement? Nowadays, in the world, what is happening? Positive or negative? Have you heard? Because of global warming, something is happening. Sir, positive movement because sea level is rising. Is everyone okay? समझ में आ गया positive and negative movement? Perfect. So this was a land, a plateau. Get that? Here was water. Can I see side view? Now what happens is this land sinks. This land sinks. So this land has come to this level now. Where is the sea? Sea is here. So sea will enter the land or not from both the sides. True. Sea will enter the land from both the sides. But this part, say suppose, was a little elevated part. So what will happen? Can I say the sea has entered up to this area? True or not? Is everyone okay? Normally the sea was only up to this area. Everyone, are you able to understand what I have done right now? So first tell me, is this positive movement or negative movement? From A to B. So this is positive movement. Why? Because A went down. This land subsided. Is everyone okay? If land had not subsided, if water rises in level, even that would be cause the same result or not? True or not? That also will be positive movement. Is everyone okay? Today's global warming, is this happening? Do you see coastal cities like Dhaka, like Shanghai? Are they under a threat of submergence? Do you understand why we say main sea level will cause coastal areas to get submerged? Is everyone okay? Sir, Dheeraj is saying either of the condition must satisfy. And condition, we are not doing an equation LHS is equal to RHS. I'm just saying water coming on land. How can it come? Two conditions. Dheeraj, you are wet. Only two things. Either you went inside the water or somebody threw water on you. The fact is water is on you. Sir, इनमें से दोनों से कौन सी condition होगी? इतना science मतलब है, simple है. पानी ऊपर लेकर आओ. So tell me, these conditions happen every day or not in the coastal area that the water comes? रोज होता है कि नहीं? Every day. Does the wave come or not? Every day. Yes. So thank you for giving me such a foolish answer. Thank you for giving me such a foolish answer. This is not waves. Waves तो बेटा यहीं पर होती है, waves तो यहाँ पर खत्म. These are waves. Waves जो daily आती हैं वो यहीं पर होती हैं. So waves coming on the coast does not mean that water is coming on top. Waves तो वहीं पर मारेंगी और कहीं नहीं मार सकती. This is actually the raise in water level. समझ में आया? The sad part is many of you never been even to the coast and you can't even imagine. So waves तो आज भी आ रही, ढाका तो नहीं डूब रहा है, शंघाई तो नहीं डूब रहा है. Because if the sea level rises by few centimeters, a point will come that Dhaka and Shanghai will submerge. तब ये यहाँ तक आएगा. So ये जो पानी है, this is not wave water, this is not tide water. This is gradually the mean sea level of that area has increased with respect to land. Is everyone okay? तो जिन्होंने मजे कहा से रोज तो आती wave आती, this is not wave. Don't confuse yourself with that. When water enters on land, the technical term is marine transgression. Is everyone okay? प्रियंक ने इंप्रेस करने के लिए सतपुरा लिखा, कोई इंप्रेस मत हो ना, ये समझ में आया. और प्रियंक को मैं अभी गलत कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि रिमेंबर सतपुरा इज अ शील्ड. क्या ही उखाड़ लेंगे हम इसमें, बट ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मजा आता है. पूरी क्लास का एकदम मुड़ के होना चाहिए ना, भाई साहब इसको बहुत आता है. एवरीवन डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी बेसिक थिंग? मैं एकदम बेसिक से चलता हूँ, ये समझ में आना चाहिए. व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट, व्हाट इज नेगेटिव मूवमेंट. आई एम सेइंग if a mountain has not experienced any positive or negative movement for a fairly long time, it is a stable block. Is everyone okay? So many a times you find Indian peninsular block is a stable block. Now many people want to commit suicide. ये ब्लॉक क्या होता है? अरे एक उठे हुए लैंड को, प्लेटो को ब्लॉक भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? You get that? सूर्य, दिनेश, आदित्य. Yes, what are these? रवि भी आ गया एक. Synonyms. ये क्या है? So peninsular block, do we understand? जान मत देना. अब देखो सारी सूर्य नमस्कार गैंग आ गया, सब बता डालेगा. Did you understand block? So if the word block comes, will you commit suicide? True. Everyone okay? Positive movement, negative movement, rising of land, falling of water, encroachment, marine transgression. Can I do that? Because ये अभी होने वाला है. All this will happen. All this will happen soon. ठीक है? Last thing यहाँ तक हो गया. What is a craton? Craton. Indian peninsular block is cratonic. डरना नहीं है, मतलब बता. क्रेटोनिक मतलब उसमें कोई भी फोल्डिंग नहीं हुई. यस, कोई भी वॉर्पिंग अप वॉर्पिंग नहीं हुई. अप वॉर्पिंग मींस गोइंग अप गोइंग डाउन, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. यस, अ हाईली स्टेबलाइज्ड portion of continent that has not experienced any folding, uplift or downdraft, downwarp in last 570 million years. सबको क्रेटॉन वर्ड का मतलब समझ में आ गया? सो बुक में कई बार क्रेटॉन आ जाएगा, क्रेटॉन क्रेटॉन क्रेटॉन, एंड यू वर्डिंग किया क्रेटॉन क्या होता है. देन द वर्ड कम शील्ड आ गया. अरे शील्ड क्या होता है? अरे प्लेटफॉर्म क्या होता है? कैन आई से क्रेटॉन इज इक्वल टू अ स्टेबल शील्ड प्लस प्लेटफॉर्म? ठीक है. क्रेटॉन वर्ड इज एवरीवन क्लियर? क्यों करवा रहा हूं? यहां पर लिखा है, बुक में आएगा, मटेरियल में आएगा, प्री कैम्ब्रियन क्रेटॉन्स ऑफ पेनिनसुलर इंडिया. कहने से हमारे शील्ड्स भी क्रेटॉन्स थे. शील्ड्स एंड प्लेटफॉर्म्स, दे वर इंडिविजुअल शील्ड्स एंड प्लेटफॉर्म्स वर क्रेटॉन्स. दे केम टुगेदर, दे मेड अ बिगर क्रेटॉन. इज एवरीवन ओके? दे केम टुगेदर एंड दे हैव नॉट गॉन डाउन. जैसा है वैसे ही रहेंगे. दे जस्ट केम एंड एक्रीटेड. कैन आई से आवर पेनिनसुला इज द ओल्डेस्ट ब्लॉक? ओल्डेस्ट ब्लॉक, मोस्ट स्टेबल. कैन आई से एंड इट हैज द ओरिजिनल रॉक्स. सो इग्नियस है या सेडिमेंट्री है या मेटामॉर्फोस? देखो सब इग्नियस इग्नियस लिख रहे हैं. अरे भाई मेटामॉर्फोज्ड है, मेटामॉर्फोज्ड है मेरे बच्चों. इग्नियस तो था, स्टार्ट हुआ. अब आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? द बॉटम हैज गॉट मेटामॉर्फोज्ड. इज एवरीवन ओके? द बॉटम हैज गॉट मेटामॉर्फोज्ड. गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एन इग्नियस रॉक. एग्जांपल ऑफ इग्नियस, सर बसाल्ट, ग्रेनाइट, एंडेसाइट. वेरी गुड. सेडिमेंट्री जल्दी से बता दो. सेडिमेंट्री, अब आपने बोला लाइमस्टोन. कैन आवर प्लेटू, बॉटम ऑफ अ प्लेटू, कैन इट बी मेड अप ऑफ लाइमस्टोन? Can the bottom of our plateau be made up of limestone? Yes or no? No. Why not? Why not? So because limestone comes from calcium carbonate. वो तो उनके एक्सोस्केलेटन से आया था, तब उतना बना नहीं था, लाइफ नहीं थी ना. वो देखो शुभम कुछ भी लिख रहा है इरोड. शुभम को तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, शुभम तो कुछ भी चला रहा है. ठीक है भाई लोगों, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, ये हमारी बेसमेंट प्लेट है, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा माल आ गया है. What is this? This is our peninsula. Is everyone okay? What is at the bottom? What is at the bottom? Archean basement. So when somebody writes कि ये तो erode हो रहा है, तो do you understand that he is not understanding it? सर इधर इरोजन हो रहा है सर, लाइमस्टोन इसलिए हो गया. ठीक है, ये किससे बना आर्कियन बेसमेंट? कौन से रॉक्स हैं अब हमारे पास? सो लाइमस्टोन तो नहीं, बट हाँ सैंडस्टोन हो सकता है, और क्या हो सकता है? मडस्टोन हो सकता है, जो भी. अब मुझे एग्जांपल चाहिए मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स का, बिकॉज दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ मेटामॉर्फिक. Now some of you would be afraid, sir, how many do we remember? It is very difficult. Yes. So everyone, will you remember these for me? Is this easy? Is this easy? Yes. Are these names easy? Get that? Now I want you to mug up 4 words. Can you do that? 4 words. This is how we are going to tell the examiner that I know geology without going deep into geology. Is everyone okay? 4 words याद करने. Schist, gneiss, phyllite, quartzite. Lilin, 4 words. Whenever the Earth's peninsular India metamorphic rock comes, वो किससे बने? Schist, gneiss, phyllite, quartzite. Whenever. अगर आपसे पूछ लिया छोटा नागपुर में क्या है? छोटा नागपुर which rocks? Crystalline schist, gneiss, phyllite, quartzite. Okay, कर्नाटका plateau which rocks? Crystalline schist, gneiss, phyllite, quartzite. याद कर लेंगे. Everyone. 4 बता दिया फॉर्मूला. 4 फॉर्मूला बस एक बार कर लिया और कुछ नहीं करना. 10 to 12 किलोमीटर थिक माल इसी से बना हुआ. शिस्ट, नीस, फिलाइट एंड क्वार्ट्जाइट. क्या है फिर से बता रहा हूँ. शिस्ट एक बार लिख लो, स्पेलिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. क्वार्ट्जाइट एंड फिलाइट. सर आई हैव हर्ड देम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम सर, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट देम. सो यू डोंट नीड टू नो एनीथिंग मोर अबाउट देम एक्सेप्ट दैट दे आर मेटामॉर्फिक, एक्सेप्ट दैट दे फॉर्म द बेसमेंट प्लेट ऑफ. इज एवरीवन ओके? इजी कर दिया. पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट क्लियर, नेगेटिव मूवमेंट क्लियर. Get that? Time Archean अभी क्लियर हो गया. Yesterday I told you European and Indian style Archean Proterozoic. Is everyone clear? वो नीचे बॉटम पर है. Craton clear, shield clear, platform clear. Everyone clear? So but this was not in NCERT. NCERT is supposed to give you GS level, no? I'm supposed to give you optional level. So this is very difficult. Is it difficult? अभी तक तो ठीक है. This is a plate I told you yesterday. If you compress, what happens? What is created? सर कुछ हाई होता है, कुछ लो होता है. High is called anticline. Low is called syncline. Is everyone okay? But sir, I to heard this is called mountain and this is called valley. Perfectly okay. How many of you heard mountain and valley? Technical name for mountain and valley is anticline and syncline. Is everyone okay? Geologist name. We will be using this vocabulary. If the word anticline and syncline comes, will you be okay? Okay. What is the difference between these two which I have made? A versus B. What is the difference? So the slope looks less, height looks less. Everyone, can you see that? But are they both folds? Are they both folds? Everyone, do they have anticline and syncline? Perfect, perfect. Where are you? You are here planning to go on this mountain. You are here planning to go on this mountain. Yes or no? Now I have something like this, everyone. शिखा बोल के रिपीट करो. भाई मैं इसमें क्या रिपीट करूं? शिखा क्या रिपीट करूं ये बता दो. तो आप नोट्स बना लो. मैंने तो 2 बनाए भाई, 2 फोल्ड बनाए. आई सेड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी. शिखा बोली बी रिपीट करो. मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं, आप ही लोगों ने बोला था. शिखा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज लुकिंग एट इट. यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए एंड बी. वो कुछ भी रिपीट करवाते हैं साहब. चरस लिख रहे हैं, दबा के छाप रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस शिखा? नहीं बाकी लोग रहने दो, शिखा ही बता देंगी. शिखा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? देखने में क्या डिफरेंस है? ये रामू है और ये शामू है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रामू एंड शामू? ये पूछ रहे हैं. शिखा बोल रही सर रिपीट कर दो. शिखा वेटिंग फॉर यू बच्चे. आपके नोट्स लिख रहे हैं, रेड से लिखा, ब्लू से लिखा. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? हाइट का डिफरेंस है, ये डिफरेंस है. ये जेंटल स्लोप है. व्हाट इज दिस? स्टीप स्लोप. दोनों फोल्ड हैं. Now I'm taking land surface. Everyone please pay attention. Can I call this as folding? Can I call this as folding? No, sir, this is not folding. But I see that there is a low-lying land, relatively तो थोड़ा सा तो लो है, but this is not folding, sir. अरे, can't you see this is incline? मतलब, sir, if you are saying so, we will accept, but this is not folding, sir. ऐसे तो नॉर्मल मिल जाएगा ऐसा, ये तो हमारे नॉर्थ इंडियन प्लेन में भी मिलेगा, थोड़ा सा तो लो लाइंग हो सकता है, ऐसे थोड़ी दिस इज फोल्डिंग, very very slight, sir. But if I put some water over here, where will the water flow? थोड़ा स्लोप तो होगा ना, sir. The water will flow over here, we understand, but this can't be syncline. New term for everyone, geosyncline. याद रहेगा, geosyncline. What is geosyncline? A long, let me write down, a long linear trough. What is the trough? Everyone, low line, no? A long linear trough having sedimentation. याद रहेगा. So what is linear? भाई ऐसे होगा ना पूरा अर्थ में, ऐसा अर्थ के स्केल का slightly low lying area, it's a linear one, और उसमें sediment जाएंगे. Why would the sediments go? Because there is slight slope over there. Is everyone okay? So what will go? Water will go in the center. So what is the difference between a syncline and a geosyncline, sir? Syncline is a valley. Syncline, everyone, is a micro thing. Geosyncline is a macro thing of the scale of the earth. A huge area with slight depression. Yes? That is why it is called geosyncline. Is everyone okay? समझ में आ गया? Are we clear? Now everyone, suppose there is a very strong force here. Very strong force here. Very strong force. Will it cause this to bend and this to go like this? तब तो मान लोगे syncline. If there is. So imagine, everyone, please pay attention. Imagine, for a million years, there was a geosyncline. What is a geosyncline? Huge area, slight depression. Millions of years, sediments were piling up on it. But for some reason, after millions of years, some force came. Because of that, folding happened. But this place was having a lot of sediments. What will happen to the sediments? Sediments will get piled up. Is everyone okay? अभी मैं फोल्डिंग भी नहीं कर रहा, मैं तो सिर्फ फोर्स लेकर आया. I have just brought force. So what do you want to tell us? I want to tell all you intelligent people that geosynclines are the birthplace of fold mountains. Fold mountains are the folds of sediments. Whenever huge geosynclines are compressed, their sediments will fold like this. Think about taking some jam on bread. Yes, lot of jam on bread, and then turning it around. What will happen to the jam? Jam will go like this. No, layers बन जाएगा कि नहीं? Is everyone okay with geosyncline? Is everyone okay with me calling geosyncline as macro units, huge units? Yes. So, but समझ नहीं आ रहा. Can you give an example? So I have an example, everyone. I have an example. Please listen to me. This was Indian Peninsula. This was Eurasian plate. In between there was a geosynclinal sea called Tethys Sea. Indian plate started moving. Tethys Sea got squeezed and its sediments made Himalaya. Did we understand? Everyone clear? The concepts are right in the beginning. If we get these concepts, things become easy. अभी तक topic को push नहीं कर पा रहा. I am not able to push the topic of peninsular India. Why? Because I am dealing with beginners who need to understand, visualize. Are you able to visualize and think? तो visualize हो जाएगा तो काम हो जाएगा. Because I will be using words like positive movement, negative movement, and all those things. So problem हो जाएगा. Okay, perfect, everyone. चलिए. So is the word Archean basement plate clear? Is the word Proterozoic sedimentary cover also okay? 3 orogenies were here, and we know what are those 10 orogenies. वो हमने बना लिया. ठीक है? So what is India like? India is like this. India is actually this. Can I say? Sorry, it should be here. Can I say India is like this? It is not this. This is the map of India, but India was like this. Can I call this as a cratonic block? Can I give it some 3D also? ऐसा था. Yes or no? Are you able to visualize? Where were we? Sir, we were south of equator. We were a part of which land? Gondwana land. What happened to this plate? It started moving northward. Okay. Initially, what was it made up of? Satpura, Aravali, Bundelkhand, Chota Nagpur, Shillong, Amagaon, Dharwad, Peninsular Nice. Oh, sir, ये तो बहुत अच्छा बनाया आपने. Everyone, did you understand? Shashank, you are writing Archean. Can I say Archean as well as Proterozoic? Yes. They are stuck with what? ठीक है। सो कश्मीर इंडिया का हिस्सा था या पाकिस्तान ने ऑक्यूपाई किया? और डू वी हैव चाइना आल्सो ऑक्यूपाइंग कश्मीर? है कश्मीर? आर्टिकल 370 है इधर? नहीं। मंदिर है? मंदिर तो हमेशा ही था सर, वो थोड़ी हो सकता है। मंदिर, मस्जिद है, ओरिजिनली किसका है? आर्यंस का है, ऋग्वेद में हुआ है, किससे हुआ है? इनकी एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है, इज इट अबाउट अगेंस्ट हिंदी और फॉर हिंदी? नथिंग। ठीक है। इज काउ द नेशनल एनिमल हियर? नो। इज देयर लाइफ? नो। दिस इज इंडिया. डू वी हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इट? डज इट हैव एनी लव जिहाद? नो. डज इट हैव एनी कांग्रेस? नो. दिस इज इंडिया. गेट दैट? अब ये चल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है, ठीक है। नाउ इट स्टार्ट्स मूविंग. So everyone, we reach the next level of the class today. Proterozoic sediments और पुराना फॉर्मेशन, इसमें हमारे पास लोअर पुराना अपर पुराना भी आएगा, ठीक है। अब ये क्या है ये पता नहीं है. So everyone, now the test is going to come quickly. Let's see how many of you are able to do that. Notebook, turn it around. Please follow the instructions. Important. Turn into this. आपको एक होमवर्क दिया था, 2 maps. Quickly draw nearly identical 2 maps. I'll also draw, you also draw. Right? Now can I say I should stop pushing you from drawing good maps? अब आप अपने आप से कर लो. I think people who are serious, they will be serious. Get that? Now some things over here. इसको हम बोलेंगे लोअर पुराना, इसको बोलेंगे अपर पुराना. लोअर पुराना, अपर पुराना. Is everyone okay? So which one is older in time, lower or upper? So lower is older. पहले नीचे दब गया ना. Is everyone okay? So lower purana is 1600 to 1000 million years. Upper purana is 1000 to 570 million years. Is everyone okay? यहाँ तक ठीक. After 570 what will start? Post Cambrian. अभी तक what do you know? What does India have? India has only the shields, no? Yes. Perfect. So I have something for you. ये symbol है हमारा. This is shelf area. This is land area. Shelf area and land area. Is everyone okay? So what is land? Remember the 10 shields and their platform is land. So what is land? This whole thing is land. Everyone, this whole thing is land. What is surrounding it? What surrounds this land? Sir, water. What is shelf? What is shelf? Do you know there is a term called continental shelf? If a part of the continent gets submerged, will that be called as shelf area? For the peninsula to get submerged, what should happen? Jaldi se batao. For the peninsula to get submerged, what should happen? So positive movement should happen. Marine transgression should happen. Yes. Did it happen? Oh yes, it happened. So our geologists tell us that this has happened. How do we know that? How can we agree? They tell us that there is a lot of limestone over here. Can there be limestone, everyone? How can limestone be there? Sir, these were all igneous shields and उसी के sediment से बनेगा. Limestone कैसे आ गया? Limestone came from marine organisms. True, but marine organisms did not live on land. That means if I have land, everyone, marine organisms cannot live on land. But if I am finding marine sediments, what does that indicate? That somewhere in geological past, कहीं ना कहीं पर water would have entered, marine transgression would have happened. Is everyone okay? Can you see how geography is trying to link the past? Link the past. Is everyone with me on this? So don't worry. ये जो 2 मैप हमने अभी बनाए हैं, these are map to be forgotten. I'm just giving you the story. Get that? सो एवरीथिंग इज लैंड। कैन आई से अरावली इज लैंड? अच्छा एक और चीज कर देते हैं, एक और सिंबल रखना पड़ेगा मुझे। दिस इज जियोसिंक्लाइन। डू यू नो व्हाट इज जियोसिंक्लाइन? They are the birthplace of full mountains. Perfect. Everyone, can you tell me which orogeny is this where I have shown land? Which orogeny is this? Aravali, sir. Very good. Not Delhi. This is Aravali orogeny. Which orogeny is this? Satpura. Which orogeny is this? Chota Nagpur. Which orogeny is this? Which orogeny is this? Sabhi orogenies. Is everyone okay? Which orogeny is this? Get that? And what is this? Which geosyncline is this? So Delhi geosyncline. Because Delhi will become what? Further fold mountain. Is everyone okay? So geologists tell me that Indian plate में पानी आ गया. Where? It entered this area. And it entered this area. Can I say marine transgression? Is everyone okay? Marine transgression हो गया. Because remember Indian plate was surrounded all by water. So उसमें थोड़ा सा पानी आ गया. Sir, how do we know? Because I find limestone over there. ठीक है? So ये सब तो आर्कियन हो गया. आर्कियन में in lower Purana marine transgression happened. Where? पहला तो ये है, इसको बोलते हैं बीजावर ग्वालियर, और इसको बोलते हैं कडप्पा. What do we call this? Kadapa. Kadapa is the region. Now I'm putting a different term over here. Syncline. Bijawar syncline. Not syncline, not geosyncline. What am I using? Syncline. What is the syncline? Syncline यहीं पे लिख लेंगे equidimensional basin. Equidimensional basin marked by sedimentation and volcanism. Everyone, geosyncline was what? Linear. ये equidimensional means squarish. Get that? Squarish है. This is a squarish sort of a depression in which sediments will also go, and later on magma will also come. Tell me, इधर कोई magma है? Do we have some magma here? So later on Deccan magma will come, no? Is everyone okay? आपने पढ़ा Deccan lava plateau इधर बनेगा. Everyone, did we get this? What do we do? Forget this map. No problem. This was just an event. उसके बाद क्या है? अपनी प्लेट तो आगे जा रही है ना. इंडियन प्लेट इज मूविंग आगे. और नॉर्थ में क्या था? यूरेशियन प्लेट. रिमेंबर यूरेशियन प्लेट. So I want to make something here. Please tell me if you are okay with it. This is the symbol of what? Geosyncline. Can you give me the name of this geosyncline? कुछ अगर नाम लिखना हो तो क्या नाम लिखूं? Sir, Tethyan geosyncline. From this, Himalayas will be created when we push it. Eurasian plate and Indian plate, when they will strike, Himalayas will be created or not? Get that? यहाँ पे अभी भी पानी भरा हुआ है. There is still marine transgression over here. Is everyone okay? But इधर नहीं है. This one is not marine transgression. Anyone, can you tell me what is this one which is not getting marine transgressed? Why? Something which is resisting marine transgression. So must be highland. No sir, Bundelkhand. Oh yes, this is Bundelkhand. This is not Burger King, okay? This is Bundelkhand. And what is this? इसका नाम है Vindhyan syncline. Have you heard of cement factories? Panna, Satna, Rewa. Have you heard of that region? Madhya Pradesh. Cement factories. Why? Limestone. A lot of limestone deposit over here. So Vindhya किससे बने हैं? Limestone से बने. But Bundelkhand किससे बना है? Crystalline. What are the 4 rocks? जल्दी से बताओ. Bundelkhand. Everyone, what are the 4 rocks of Bundelkhand? Gneiss, schist, phyllite, quartzite. Formula. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं. And what is this symbol, everyone? सर मेरा ये फर्स्ट क्लास है कुछ. जिसका फर्स्ट क्लास है बहुत बुरा हो रहा है यार उसके साथ. ये बात तो मैं भी मानता हूँ. Everyone, जिसका फर्स्ट क्लास है, कहाँ गया है फर्स्ट क्लास? शुभम क्लास के स्टार्ट में पूछा था जो बिगिनर्स हैं. अचानक तुम्हारे मन से आवाज है सर कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? आज 4th क्लास है बेटा, फर्स्ट क्लास से शुरू कर दो, फर्स्ट क्लास से शुरू करेंगे। एवरीवन, ज्योग्राफी समझ आ रहा है या डर लग रहा है? एंड आर यू एबल टू मेमोराइज आल्सो? साथ में हो रहा है या अलग से करना है? व्हाट आर द 3 सिंबल्स एवरीवन? व्हाट आर द 3 सिंबल्स? जल्दी से बता दो मुझे, व्हाट आर द 3 सिंबल्स? एक तो लैंड है, एक शेल्फ सी है और एक है, इस शेल्फ सी का क्या नाम है? सिनिक्लाइज है ना? सिनिक्लाइज। ऐसे स्टोरी तो पहले नहीं पढ़ी, बस रट लिया था। ओके, so last time you were memorizing it, but this time is everyone clear? So एक तो विंध्या सिनिक्लाइज है। What is this सिनिक्लाइज called? सर कडप्पा सिनिक्लाइज। यार बाद में उन्होंने इसका नाम चेंज कर दिया, आंध्रा में इसके रॉक्स मिले, दिस इज आंध्रा एंड दिस इज छत्तीसगढ़। यस, सो दे कॉल दिस एज कुरनूल छत्तीसगढ़ सिनिक्लाइज। नाम चेंज किया है। रिमेंबर, बीजावर ग्वालियर was the original name, then it was called what? Vindhya. Kadappa is now called what? Kurnool. Is everyone okay? And a geosyncline is also created. Everyone, do you see why I was pushing you to make maps? तब तक ये करेंगे नहीं तो काम कैसे बनेगा? Everyone with me? So what have we done till now? We have drawn these two maps. ये देखो ये book में. This is the book map. And this is your map. Which one is easier to understand? Sir, book map तो दिख नहीं रहा, देख लो. This is how these are. When we look at these maps, समझ नहीं आता. Oh my God, this is very difficult. How do I take geography optional? वो खुल्लर पढ़ोगे तो ये आएगा. ये तो हमने खुद ही बना दिया यार. चलिए तो इंडिया है, इंडिया का प्लेटू है, प्लेटू इज गोइंग, उसके साथ ये सब चल रहा है। इज एवरीवन ओके? नाउ आई हैव वन थिंग, I want to tell the examiner, question is, examine the evolution of peninsular plateau of India. What should we write in this? Everyone, what should we write in this? जल्दी से बताओ। So Archean basement, siniclize, everything, amazing people. So सब गलत, all answer is wrong. So let me tell you, evolution of peninsular plateau can be seen, everyone listen to me, evolution of peninsular plateau can be seen in two parts. One, Precambrian, other post-Cambrian, in between 570 million year map. ये कट ऑफ हो गया, ठीक है? एवरीवन, आर यू विद मी? हाउ मेनी मैप्स हैव वी लर्नड इन प्री-कैम्ब्रियन? कितने मैप्स सीख लिए आपने? हाउ मेनी मैप्स डिड वी डू इन प्री-कैम्ब्रियन? सम पीपल आर सेइंग 2, सम पीपल आर सेइंग 3, जल्दी से बता दो कितने किए अभी तक? सो स्मार्ट पीपल हु आर हैविंग सम माइंड, हु आर नॉट जस्ट मगप पीपल, मगरमच्छ नहीं है, दे वुड से 3. अरे अभी तक 3 किए कि नहीं किए? क्या बात कर रहे हो? अभी भी 2 लिख रहे हो? मैं कह रहा जिनको समझ नहीं आ रहा, बस ऐसे प्रेशर में, अच्छा बाकी सबको समझ में आ रहा है, मुझे तो नहीं आ रहा है। भाई 3 किए यार, how come you can say that you've done? Archean क्या था? Did we do Archean? How many did we do? 10 orogenies? Yes. Did we do Purana? Upper and lower? So we did 3. So why were you writing 2? So especially people who wrote 2, I really want to ask you, are you really serious about this preparation? या हवाबाजी कर रहा है? आते ही 1 बनवाया, 2 अभी बनवाया, 3 तो मैंने बनवा दिया। बट आंसर में 3 तो बहुत टाइम ले लेगा ना। रिमेंबर वी आर आस्क्ड टू डू दिस इन 250 वर्ड्स। तो क्या करें? कुछ नहीं करना है। आधे लोग को टेंशन है ज्योग्राफी कितना मुश्किल है, मैंने तो सॉल्व कर दिया यार, यही बनाएंगे बस। दिस इज वन मैप। There were 3 things have led to this. No, everyone. If they ask me about the Archean, I wanted my students to be confident about it. That's why I taught you. You can say up to 570 million years, there were Archean shields, 10, which created land. There were 2 siniclies. What is this? Vindhyan siniclies. And what was this? Kurnul syncline, and there was Tethyan geosyncline. Everyone, did I tell you we need to draw small maps? अच्छा लग रहा है? If this answer comes like this, I'll start the introduction. Indian Peninsular Block is a tectonic block which was created during the Precambrian Archean times. It used to be a part of Gondwana land located in the southern hemisphere. Yes, it had many crystalline shields and platforms. These crystalline shields and platforms formed the tectonic block, which after breaking from Gondwana started moving northward, experienced marine transgression, leading to the creation of Vindhyan syncline and Kurnul syncline. As it approached the Eurasian plate, a Tethyan geosyncline was created between Indian Peninsular Block and the Eurasian plate in the Precambrian, as shown in the map. Are the answer finished? True. That's it. See, most of the time people are worried, इतना पढ़ना नहीं है, समझना है. अभी भी लोग कह रहे हैं 2-3 ये बना सकते हो कि नहीं बना सकते. Tell me, is it looking like India? Was it unfair on my part to ask my student who I really see as topping this exam to draw a quick map? आना चाहिए. ये टेढ़ा मेरा मैप बना रहे हो यार. बन गया कि नहीं बन गया? So उसके बाद तो पोस्ट कैम्ब्रियन भी होना चाहिए. हाँ बिल्कुल पोस्ट कैम्ब्रियन है. हमारे पास पोस्ट कैम्ब्रियन है. So पोस्ट कैम्ब्रियन में I have got Mesozoic और गोंडवाना पीरियड 300 to 65 million year. ठीक है. उसके बाद I have 70 to 55 million year. This is Cretaceous. Yes. And then I have Cenozoic. ये मैं बता देना चाहता हूँ. A, B and C कल कराएंगे. कल की क्लास में होगा. So let me show you a very interesting thing, everyone. And you know, sometimes it happens, as I said, no, teacher can preach, and if he cannot demonstrate to the student, तो कैसे student में power आएगा? So I am just demonstrating how this answer was to be written. I'm sure with this you also realize यार map तो बनाना आना चाहिए. As the Indian plate was going up, everyone, A happened. What is A? Rifting happened. कल बताऊंगा. Indian plate cracked. A happened. ठीक है? Indian plate cracked in the Gondwana time, Carboniferous time, और इस time का हमारा coal बना. I'll tell you tomorrow. Then in Cretaceous, Indian plate passed over a hot spot. Remember, hot spot is basaltic magma coming out. So that was B. A हो गया सबको. A में तो crack हो गया. B में what happened is lot of basalt came out, and this whole area had basalt in it. What is this? This is B. Get that? And in C, when Himalayas were formed, once again marine transgression happened at 3 places in India. 1, 2, and 3. C, C, C. And I want to tell you, whenever marine transgression happens, either you get marine sediments, and if marine sediments get buried, they will turn into oil and gas. Do we have oil and gas in Rajasthan, Gujarat? Do we have oil and gas in KG Basin? Do we have oil and gas in Assam? ये है. और इधर क्या है? ठीक है, हो गया. इधर क्या है? Remember syncline था? What happened to it? उसकी जगह क्या बन गया? हिमालय बन गया. चलिए सिखा दूंगा. Everyone, this is the story which you have to write in this answer. 2 maps बनेंगे. सब कुछ ऐसे दिखा दिया जाएगा. मार्क्स आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे? I thought I will complete this one today और आपको एक आंसर राइटिंग भी करवाना था. But आज map project took some time. Yes, I did not want to miss the map project because mapping शुरू हो जानी चाहिए. Is everyone okay with me pushing you so much for maps, for diagrams, for this thing? Are you okay with that? If you find it very this thing, yeah, this teacher is so pushy and all those things, is I am lagging behind. Some people are lagging behind also. So if you are feeling like that I am pressurizing too much, please tell me. इसलिए मैंने उसमें टाइम भी रखा है. Your map वाला ना submit till Sunday. But if you don't know map drawing, तो आज की क्लास में कैसे करेंगे? Get that? So I do take out time to evaluate your copies. Please submit them. मुझे भी बहुत सारा काम होता है, but I do that. और ये इंडिया की जियोलॉजिकल इमेज बन गया कि नहीं आज दिमाग में? How was Peninsula created? How was Himalayas created? This whole thing is going up. Sir, I need to revise it a bit. Oh, please do that. Sir, can you please do it again tomorrow? I will do that again. Is everyone okay? Starting, I know you are beginners, so I'm okay with this. So it is making the topics more interesting. Very good. Interesting also. You are also, see, these are difficult ones. बहुत difficult है. Yes. Dravidian, lower Paleozoic, upper Paleozoic, फिर गोंडवाना हो गया, यहाँ पर बेसमेंट प्लेट टूट गया, फिर ये रिफ्ट वैलीज हो गए. अरे I made a map, उसी में दिख गया. These are very difficult words. Sentences are difficult. But why did I make them for you? Because ये खुल्लर में लिखा है. Sir, we read this from खुल्लर. इसीलिए लेकर आया. My job to make खुल्लर also easy, no? What is the role of a teacher? यार अगर ये नहीं कर सकता, Cenozoic क्या होता है? अरे कुछ नहीं, राजस्थान में फिर कृष्णा गोदावरी में और असम में शेल्फ बन गया। रिमेंबर शेल्फ इज व्हाट? अब तो आपको पता है मरीन ट्रांसग्रेशन इज शेल्फ। इधर क्रैक हो गया था, मीसोजोइक में क्या हुआ? बसाल्टिक लावा बन गया। यू माइट बी थिंकिंग सर आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू राइट इट डाउन। अरे बाबा मैं लिख कर दे रहा हूं, माय स्लाइड्स हैव रिटन इट ऑल। और ये आपको होमवर्क दिया था हर एक यूनिट के बारे में, अब आपको प्लॉट करना। कैन यू प्लॉट इट? इज एवरीवन क्लियर? दिस इज व्हाट वी हैड फॉर टुडे एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इफ समबडी जॉइंड द क्लास टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। सच में जलियांवाला बाग हुआ होगा, आई एम सॉरी, but the class has really taken 4 very strong steps. People who've been with me, thank you for showing that courage and thank you for staying today for 20 minutes extra. Way I need to end the class. I'm sorry for extending the class. Homework समझ में आ गया? मैप डालना है? Is everyone okay? The map book just plotting करना है, 3 days में करना है। मैं कुछ samples मैं भी डाल दूँ। Is everyone okay? Are we understanding Hindi, English? Is it okay? Sometimes I speak in Hindi. Everyone getting that? Perfect. And the book language is very difficult. I am making it easy. Don't worry, I'll make it further easy. इसके बाद कल we will finish Peninsula and we'll go to Himalayas. Thank you and thank you for this extra time. Bye bye. Take care. So Hindi, somebody says little difficult. So better whenever you feel that I'm speaking something in Hindi, you can ask me. I'll tell you about that English also. Bye bye. Take care.